Trying to defend a Munster title last year is something that we haven't been able to do, so what we're doing is just focus again on this year. We've taken every game as it comes, which is a bit of a cliche, but it's the only way to do it is from our group's perspective, and it has worked to date. So we're not necessarily thinking about Munster titles, we're thinking about beating Ballygunner today now.
What kind of threat do you expect from the Waterford champions today?
Oh, they're very, very tough and physical, very experienced. They've been here before. I know they've only had 1 out of 8 or 9 victories, but they have been talking about the Munster club since they won Waterford, so it'll be an absolute and total battle, and I don't expect anything less now.
Well, Shannon inis initiative when Gomortis loud atá áracht alancha then Steve Shafton gon Gomortis in the will town the loud go human Lucas Gael on Ronna Anya Orisha Samala agus Shahid Botari in the Shafton Shakatsa Laura Higgins Owen O'Connell Tom McGran Miles McHugh agus Margaret Delaney cohort this Morlive. Agus Shahid Leabhar na Seachtaine seo, the Warriors Code, my autobiography like Jackie Terrell, The Choice by Philly McMahon, A Season of Sundays, Rávílas a Seachtaig, Sports File Chadasin le Chéile, GA Official Action Calendar Rávílas a Hochtaig, Féile de Chud an Chuman Lucas Gael, agus the Championship Rávílas a Seachtaig by Brian Carthy. Le bheith is sa tarns gona dúis na bratha seo, ní le sanna adach dulchaig TG ceathar stadaí, mar go an tolas ar fad le fáilean sin agus bei cúigar bútar gach seachtain as gach anam a hagan chugain. An seachtain se thugain fógramúd bútarí cumortas na seachtaine seo, gneadí lev.
Customer le máthir fíor speisialta atá ar thóir gúna iontach. Is gear go mé an clán ar fad ag tucht le chéile, agus tá sí géirí go mranóí sí go hiontach. Leis an deara thuirí an mún oibre, cé acu is fear a hiigí stíl bórín.
Sraidlú a fásin, gléasta an féasta, ar TG ceathar.
Find the ideal gift for the future sporting star in your world. Get online and visit the GAAstore.com, bringing global brands to local heroes.
The Sky Black Friday sale is now on. Right now you'll get a free 32-inch LG TV when you join Sky TV from just $29.50 a month. Plus you'll get Sky Q, the next generation box, so you can record and store more of your favourite shows. Good. So, get a free 32-inch LG TV when you join Sky TV. Hurry, offer ends 30th of November. Simply search Sky Black Friday.
Test drive the Hyundai Tucson today and discover why it's Ireland's best-selling car. Or visit Hyundai.ie. Hyundai. Discover why.
Hey, I'm Mini Baby Bell. I'm a sort of superhero.
Oh, what's your superpower?
Real cheese with a super wax shell? I'm Super Cheese!
That's impressive.
What's that?
Super wax shell? I'm Super Cheese too! Super Cheese!
Oh, come on!
Super Cheese!
Made with 98% milk. Mini Baby Bell, the Super Cheese.
Sona Vitamins. Supporting Ireland's health for over 30 years. Sona. Support like no other. Available in pharmacies nationwide.
At Booking.com, you'll find a wide range of accommodation, from sun-drenched holidays to weekend getaways, for every possible budget. And if you have to cancel, cancel. Most of the time it's free, and you can always book again. Booking.com, booking.yeah.
New Muller White Velvet. Plain yogurt is now Muller-licious.
Your love.
So creamy, so thick, so delicious. Whoever thought plain yogurt could taste so good? New Muller White Velvet, a plain yogurt that tastes Muller-licious.
Big job interview?
It's my credit reunion today. I need to look my best.
Either I get this home improvement loan or my husband turns our bedroom into a gaming den.
Did you say financial empowerment through flexible lending?
Who are you?
Don't worry, Sarah. The credit union welcomes back all members, even you, opened her account at age 12, but later decided a local cooperative with convenient, straightforward loans wasn't worth committing to.
How do you know I know you?
I don't, Sarah. I don't.
Get a flexible loan from a lender who cares. Have you had your credit reunion?
Brigade fáta as when ní fada went túsal chluithe in seo is stád stempel I dorlas agus gomuid go fada le Macdar McDonagh inis go gluisimuid na fáine.
Mahatawar Teslas Majasula or Hydrant in Cho, a glyph canister moon and Darry can't vision afford the show has seen in Kayla Hanad. We Stephen O'Keefe got them all star couple of shachten of hen and two Immerrive on Globe we got them fresh Fergal Hartley with Paul Flynn. Also Hor, Jimmer Barry Coughlin and Philip Mahoney, Bertla Port Lordig to the canister Heron, Emiliana August and Sheshaw and Gimmert Harbour, Gohori and Lena Lachul, Philip Mahoney, Wayne Hutchinson, August Shane Welch. Lorna Park at the Harley Barnes, August Shanna Sullivan, Timrod is Shin or Vorin and Tasha Gimmert Knees Fair, Emiliana, Namar Jimmer Shella, Father Fearach and Law. Madar in a good tussa, well, Tas Hagan Galer for Hummus David Sullivan is Porrick Mahoney Gohori, cool of his hole in his fiche, scored at Porrick, Vactus the Moon Gajusha, Ach Pedro Gagaha, Peter Hogan, Conor Power, August Billy O'Keefe, Chachtanese, Judge Hutchinson or Noy, the Gimmert Significanish, Glypha Lachanish, with Damsha Coolix 3 Holin. So it's talk me enough on to show Akashi the Shin Leiro in yo. Magdalena Piercy will talk a lower tahi up show. Jerome Boylan Vishay Mar La Holy Lord or Vinor Limni Emlina Tasha Gimmertonish Lena Lawn Cool the Pierce and show Tivlesh Mike Casey Buckstock on Gowney Shackmore Lawn Cooley was also Hor Carl King Vichel Gimmert Eric Gleehon but Tommy Grimes Alan Dempsey Gimmert Harbord oh come on Ronan Lynch vi won the book in the Sira and I na Carrigaduva and Damsha Kuik Hoolin Deogan Lawson Tivlesh Ibrin William Dunho on Crew August Hawk Cummins na Tussy Hishaw Kevin Downs Peter Casey David Breen David Dempsey Idolo Conor Boylan vi Takish and Ochen Dowling vi Sheshin or Unadi nor Roylam nach Creef we've Linus Fiche na Heron Kubra Shachten
Well, bein cluthe tosaí anseo in Norlas Ganháil agus is Bailivig Gunnar a grú cahad na píine anseo níos luicheach. Ní mór an goí ar a bád chuí láir tá aimsir go bra forfa le haid cluthe ománaíochta agus tá main cat agus suir le go branú ar rint imróí hábhaltacha gon dáthíomh inis agus má dhéanam muidirteach ar Bailivig Gunnar a dosatá imróháin pucímachad Barry Coughlin mar lán cúlaí agus jab mór le duna ige inneá le Kevin Downs chuinál ciú.
An charter fada go tá sé ard agus tá sé leidir tá idir chun agus time féinar enos súl go mór leis an caibhlinn idir a féin agus Downs agus beag sé fíor simú agus ceapan féin go meid Junker ar an gaibhlinn sin ar an doreg dar an lé.
Duna Piercy Cyril cecho tábhachtachas tá catí na fáine Carl King imróir a bhfuil go leor taithí aige ar udan atá chomhó.
Yeah, tá sé ann leis dúsna an réis seo do na Piercy imríonn sé an le cúlaí lár is féidir leis do reis imart ar imar le canóid go freisin ach an lá seo gan Shane Dowling le a hí agus ceantíte tá stáil go géir.
Tá Shane O'Sullivan pucímachad de lár na páce fear eile tá brá ábalta cúlaí ní amsú pat.
Gan ar chola mar Macdara cain faoi couple second ó hin agus ein tíim le gachrú de dúir sé anna haithí aige ag immert láthar na blianta agus beag siad a súil leis sa láthair mór den slittar i dulasteach go dtí na tosathe uig féin agus Harley Barnes.
Le Shane Dowling in asnamh tá barna le líana agus rinne Ronan Lynch a sin go snasta ag gluthe canis ó clé leachchanis an chundé agus ag nóí chuig fointí ag tá se chunturta.
Yeah, tá sé agus tá sé an cumasach mar imró réad faoi tá club agus tá chunda tá trí bóinid éar an buite hena féin cean bháin ag club gá cean le frin limní beag sé beag dúlgus éir na poc na séra thógáilú agus spreala siad a thógáil agus tá sé go mar.
Agus duine go na himróí is tábhachtaí ar fáidir udan Bailivig Gunnar na Páric Mahoney ní féidir spásabe thuirtópar.
Gan dá éonúair a bhíon daine a caint faoi hosathe Fort Largus é Páric Mahoney duine na daine a bhíon daine a luúan tam go léir Har a bheith crín ó na pocan na séra. Mas rud ag an éiríonn le Mahoney roiint scórna alíniuh choróig sé go mór le seansan na Bailivig Gunnar ceapan.
Is é Kevin Downs duine go na himróí a bhí an nasnamh an ára ar na Piercy agus má áinse in díróid in na heilemh pás ag cechu le más an anga.
Yeah, tá sé anláidir san éir, tá sé reis gortú glúna an clíiad a féin agus Barry Coughlin beag sé an simúil ceap mí sin or dimmer sé glí ganslí miní go raibh beocht in na himmarthe na facamar le tamar.
Well, pa céad leis bhfuil tú súil ón gluthe seáine?
Well, Gandalf, mas rydw mac Moran idir na ffôn and den no me fan to beder captain go meg na Pierce biogani nis uire beder go roig she no beder katashi dog or kegavin she dog tan tahi a cup. Big bandy be gunner hard of a jacker coming comes far all or hard of a young Walter kind of walk or hard on him lane.
I bhacail Cyril K ag a bheith an bó céiche go samach ar bar dóla.
Tá mig dal na Pierce tá tahi a cup. Tá lads nua chop the shocker and Vern Captain Wilson is loud and mar bhí siad ach be sé nílig mar áil before that.
Well, Tom de Sula an omíocht fort na himmarine se an dá úrachas an dá orin seo a chéile a glé canis an na mún tuair na Piercy ai Valivig gunner mar sin gomatus go fad le Macdar Macdonach inis le tús chuir leis an action.
Come out to Warren Tressa, mu a réid tronis le ó an a bhíon.
Arla Mart,
Or on the Vian Roitze, the Forney Ray, agus mu the Thnul, the Kyrins con Scotland Show, Return Lenyo, Rory McGann, as come the Flower, Farhu, or Skull, with the or Nanny Lishi, he's her team, or Lions. So, yes, and a King to roll and Jagador, Classna, Return to Osel, Trodoro, Nishna, Pierces, the Ganza, Spare Horma, on Cahru, Cliffacanish, Koiga, Akashud, Nilan Can Kodza, with 7 year Bulu Rivid, Avactus the Moon, Major Balivik Gunner, show the new Ur Akasicliffacanish, Urawan, Wishid, Sheer Rovilis a Hain, Augusta, Arzarum, just a sore Highlands of Hagen and Chop. Malan Corsi Maratov, Fakam Hanahan, will Vertigimmer to Sicilian and Lotus and Piercy. It's Kevin Downs, Tash Jahan, Augusta, Ton Head, Unseen Chop, Egg Balivik Gunner. As you to go sheer. You're shell of all in Tommy Grimes, Augusta, and Head Rook Agan. Significanish and Chun V. Ronan Lynch, you're shell of all in Chun, Tashi Forza, August William Corshag, William Donald, Head Unseen, Kate Cannon, Othar Downs, August or Barry Coughlin. She British, she said Coughlin, Chin, she Forza Foes. I'm trying to Chonishig. August she shin both or the Adrian Breen, August she both Howard Trust on the Adrian Breen. Gone cuts up 50 seconds and Kate scores goal check. Adrian Breen is a gimmer to she, Selena Lontossa. So she went tactic at all, the Pierce at top, Peter Casey, Terry Mako, the Peter Casey, Nish, what got your shot, Don Pokemon Boyce, and local gent and Chin, or Billy O'Keefe. Peter goes fast and you replace Gamach Chin, on Everton, Ronan Lynch, Horkin Keane. Over watching Peter Hogan, the shell of all Rash, got Walivik Gunner, a fastest shots the Lord, on Bertha Fan at the chin, she fought it in a good will. The Giro Galtier Chin was a foul at the chin, or Philip Mahoney, was this Puxir Machazan, will Stephen O'Keefe, Chachon and Camcho Waller. And the middle rod Neil, Tasha, all Golic Porrick Mahoney, Shahagan and Chin and Erucht. She must be good cheer and Chin, I say, yeah, Taring you, come on, Philip Mahoney, sheer. So, Puxir on Head Canig Porrick Mahoney, Nikaniska Eshonish. Cool, agus ráchúlinn is fiche scórailta ige ins an dáchlifa tá Imre Jacob. Get a Robert ráchlifa go le mar bhí an breise testáil sul bhór siad an canas fear na sáirseil is dúlas éile gaibhlins íontach a barca bhreanna. Tá an canseát tíomhíor an líne sios go cúige go héin. Tá sí sach fada acha nó tá sí búte ar híomh na lábha clé sa sin an chéadí ar chormú ag Balivik Gunner. Ní gaig ar fiú trocht or náí the shade and chop ar a bark, so ní dóna go raibh one touch na mí one touch bheith ag gimmert tróháin ná tró eile. Fog machine seo Pod Kennedy, gin gúigur dá scéile bhí gimmert siúr a gábhir a héineag nar bhuiisiad an chríomhsead an géadúir. Shane O'Sullivan and Jonathan Mahanchin, agus an pasta seachach an Canchin. Garhamach. The Curry Chachas, Tom Sullivan, Chen Fortis, Forta Harborg, Adrian Breen and Chin Gira Elu. Chile fósa get a crow Jackertin go Eddie Hayden Gorchan Keane against John David Dempsey trust Hochi O'Brien and Chin agus she saw what a goal bar while the chance and Chin David Breen better over Imni and Chin Capon the Wallaby Gunners Eddie Hayden better the road Hanahan on number 10 grown on in Sheer Goody Cathal King captain of 4 that bowler Canmore Ordstock Stephen O'Keefe of Fana to Chin agus she fought Stephen O'Keefe was the then of Imrory in the Beerstock she's the Garnog Veg Soladonic and Leroy just drop Marchin Foxir Machta on
then doubt that will na Pierce get Geary Brew a horror Cosentori Baljevic Honor Galua a Cliff and Charles Gahara and Cold Bar Stephen O'Keefe Tashik Del Al Gamal Gakro the Hani Quick Suskudi shot
well you've run their all-star in Ramadan Peter Hogan trying to shell Fotchik Peter Hogan pass chas Butcher against Billy O'Keefe she's Fotchik Billy 3 goal in and I to head on Garney to a chance to Billy or a score so she's in Butcher against Billy O'Keefe August on Fornia Corum
Nagad Orina Billy Gahan Mahan Chin Richard Trask Nagad in Tabellid and Cool Fechan Chin Agas Haring Chin Cousin Torres Ait Agas in Chin Dumping Shes and Throwella Agas Crook Shebegan in Spasto Fain Agas Creekney Chin Count Chin Gaheska Galore on score a week
Fergal Hartley and Chin Manish Dorna Fornia Fardy the Gimmer to Gobil is a hen or Wushid and Creve Shug Yorkalor Dina Gabe Shoe the Hossa Ash Irie Fort Lauriga Tus the Mili Shop Wushid with Fort Lauriga Creve the Moon attacked in the Yesham Canton me Harative in the Puxlassa Bazan as by Puxlassa Egg Ronan Lynch August Ronan Lynch Feka Agamza Amula Shogadas Pass Morgorum with Malach and Trochter
Even though the Om Gokelian or the Wollen Shen Schlitter Gamatash Komala Le Enya Ele at the end Toga Tokenish Lassa Lugalor se Cliff a better
La Balach is Lena Carcacuig of Chaskacuig. Oh, Hitchy, well, we may all cartridge and Hitchy Schlitter, Zero has there a tear Schlitter wool, Hitchy Schlitter Stock a bowl. So, Niven with Roy and Earth, Shell of Fotchage and Porrick Manny. Porrick Manny and Tass Shearugas and Catchins, School for Machachin, Wayne Hutchinson, Gold Trust in the Parka, Machafanachin and Cousin Thorla Cushion and Niall Buckley. Niall Buckley for Brew and Chahanish, they fought Niall Shear, could he Mike Casey, or was he glad to mock piece of Father Casey. Yours are the Titamanos and Chahas Lergo better than a Pierce Caplock, a major go Ligocht, Ballyvic Gunners and there, he's Hama Will and that will. Sean Cancer is a similar by Cathal King and Tom Markle, Porrick Mahoney. Citizen got to Harrison, William O'Donoghue, Sugar D. Ronan Lynch. Ronan Lynch, you get a top trust in the park, is Tosha Taka trust in the park, Tommy Grimes, be Tommy Run, Vivlin is Ficky Limney, be Shannon Scoral, nor Visha Gimmer Club Shin, August Tosha on Scoral and Ish, Colleen Broad, Chin, Tommy Grimes.
I can know Rudda, a Kuigi, Vine Gabor, or in Irihan Taurigals, Irihan Orgus, Mid Effect, and their Tommy Grimes, a Gimmer Limnia, Anna Green, or Ryan, Shadesh, number Shin.
Mark Butcher, Scoopy, Stephen O'Keefe, I'm catching him behind the TV line. Foxlessa Vesan, Egg Curra Limney. Agus Niall Buckley, Raychan and Cancho Woolen.
Shanara Ty Gimmert Gahanwad and a Piercy Gimliana, Eric Crave Limney.
Shane O'Neill and Shin. Farvi Gimmert to go with the Henyug, nor Wushid and Gay Dorel, on job then to get more on store. Creve the Moon, August Creve, the Hayron Butcher, Egg, Gudisha, Niall Buckley's Canolling Butcher, that's the Lorigate. And Cancho British Shees and Ish, Philip Manniger, Shelvag is Rugo Green, or come on, Philip Rish, after Rory McGann. Tasha Aaron Ordel looks down, no, Chan Fekig, took a Vidarige.
Fechan Gagare, Horsey and Son, August near the bend out for you, heard a bit. Destination Porrick Mahoney, Contort for Colleen, Rudnar, Reshian, of Lishin Gate, Gown of Evadon.
So, August Simul Chog will come on, Area, Porrick and Charnish. Fechan with the Muir come on and talk to Mach. August, come on, no, Fatig on Cancho Wolle. Cancho Buggy these days, because I'm being Cantor Nachtashe, Marrekan Chufshine. On Rian of Inter the Bark, Lorna Parke. There's a rich around Ishnach will David Breen's half father Shear and David Breen Kane at Allen Scale is how governor is your Turbach and common rugby wasps. As your cousin looked at look Taki the Ignapirce among Saston and Ishnach, Mehasulo to Gondol Tash.
Sigiri and Sport Lehanu.
So Porrick Mahoney Gigantra couldn't catch on his east look to Shimel Hole, like Tashi Fortune, Niall Buckley reached Denagama, Burn Slitterson. Button and Chin Dental, so Jeshin Chahanish, obviously Chen Cancha Butsa, Egg David O'Sullivan, Harrod Traston, Pushy Free, Hossa Tommy Grimes, and Chen of California, Corner East.
Shavel. That's what then our Eric Porrick Mahoney, Harrod and Traston, are allowed Niakisher Strain, Niakisher 4 Elogus, Noravisha, Macquig, David O'Sullivan, Vishanti Escagaloriga.
You mean the Sula Kivins what? Tashach no med Kacha, Takeris Gorfeka, Agazat, Gujisha Tashagama, 3 Fassi Kelly, Gujisha O'Sullivan, Tashin for Brew. Concham Passaroyanish, with the Harley Barnes, Harley Lahu Colchin, with the Watcher William Donoghue, with William O'Glanchin, Tommy Grimes, we are. Agus oil Corcusha, Chapman Chingur, Woolin Kenny, Naksha, Peter Casey, number 8. Niall Buckley, Kulu Shears, could walk and slip to Ficky, Niall Buckley, good shop. Pass Jas Traskedy, Alan Dempsey, Nish. Ostlin, Alan the goalie, Chencha, Stachur Gownell, Stachur Dumpy. Throw Adrian Breen, Gama, Chin, Shear, Nish. Chachton Jonish, Conor Boylan, Rubble, Chin, Barry Coughlin, Nish dip. Friends War is Rock Ella, Kay Hook is Maxon, Rock shot. Agus she didn't wear roaring again. Her sterilus and Rock is Kasha, Shachman Schlitzer. No pack, Medical Road, the Orange, nor Han Liro and Rachel Schlitzer shot us in Canada.
Second out, taken out, Crohian Rokawan, Rock Ella.
Rock Ella, Hano, though, mother's fair father. Schlitzer all, while talk can and Johanish, because that. Erdera. We're going to talk to Machas and Chinna was on number 2, Shane O'Sullivan pass Lova, right. James Gunete, Porrick Mahoney, Traston and Porrick and Ish. Sporsak and Ish, with Jessica Unziel, Croholi, Rodor, got your talk and Chin Bader, Nish Neil and Hoyler, while the gunners to Tosse Gul Ferrocup, and talk a mass in air. Sean Chanson is William O'Donoghue, and Jennifer Mahachin, Elu Porrick Mahoney, Toshi Fatcher Rasha O'Donoghue, Tosh off with Brew, and Shane O'Sullivan, on him with O'Donoghue, with Brew Waho lads, while the gunner come out, O'Donoghue, T1, and is well. Tugagishin on Innsbruck attack under the top. I can do toss to him.
We should have read him share from Carulo August. Neil Endon in his Tavaki, Lard Parker better now William O'Donoghue, Farry in and over Nagapel, the Piercing Leblin to Bioga Nose. Agus Agirian Wood Canning Kenny, Yuba, Walksheed, I could hear and vote us on. Becker showed Bertha called Chuck the Moose and a Bullacher.
Yeah.
And stop the correlation.
Brewer. Rashler in the Murts. It was Rashler, Alan Dempsey. Dempsey passed Jas the Shock and Roy Breen, Arena Breen, Green McConnell, Schlitter, Tom Shop. So, Bolivik under Gabriel Macharish and Philip Mahoney, Nyeta, with April to Machadi, Uncle Shane initiatives, Leroy Dorden, Osaka. Conor Power will be, Fossi Fortis on his right, Chantonish, and Conor Power took a call on Conor Power. Rochol, Glyphacanisport, Noriga, August Nish, Candle, Glyphacanish, the moon.
Gabriel Sheska Hall in Quiga for year here, Hall Honikshe, or Immert Gas, Neta Toiste, on the Cosson Tory, or the Specker Shin, Skur on Cosson Torrenson, August Specker Shin, Niana Shep, both winner bit. Niall Buckley, me Abruk, Skur Share and Talabhan, Tandrumtle, Local Lord, Tashish Town Galore.
Shimfidara ahead, Droog to be Jorre. And took Mach Bolton Nish, Dun Gaydor, Bolivik on Orphan Keen, and Chelman Shaw Nish, Harley Barnes, Harley came in Harley, up to Nimrock came in a Jessica Cancer Rule, if we have Brandon Swords, Ferchant KV, or Gurhainer Fall, and pass Nira, Hunishan Schlitter, August, and took the roaring again, and did a job, Mahajob, Pat.
A command Soul Gear, Gackrod, Gaharde, Golua, a Cliff, August, a Tort, Chanson Da, have Socro Shears, Kaimsha Ardvola, Horta Cossentori. While you think Gunnar Goody Shore in us, Tasha Gimmer Kahanwa, her father, Delal, Goman Le Enroad, a Kahan appears in a draw.
So, Roland Lynch, Kid Can, Nietzsche Heska, Kui Hulin Zeug, and I, the Cardigan Dive, a Glyph, Lachanish no more. Kid Can, she pulls a Harva or a get, no, she pulls her hidden along a gesture. So she didn't hear the Cormoy, the Pearson, the Irdwan Cormoy, Bolivik on her Ach, on Coolchin, Keiko Told us listen cool. Stephen O'Keefe from Buckmach Rish, Canon, Liquidy, her Billy. She fought it Billy and Shawnish, Billy, Tarring Shear, Chenagaza, Jim Tuxira and Thompson, Conor Boylan, Rin and Fell.
Hanisha Jacka Squealton, Shin, Vian Labard, Galore, Quick Shit, Simple Letter, Winell, and Chinnagas near a doubter, Erbe, Fuin Galatian Shin, Fakersha, Tagan.
Agus a quarter boy sponsor Chingo Conor Boylan.
Yeah, I guess I tilt go mahage. Began in me Cormac near a Malishuk no eno da Luber no Galore.
Shin Conor Red in Cormac for the Jerome, I thought Gimmer Sears the Gownell, Agus like when Glenn Gaynor and Chin. Here Imrod Hiberdorn, Agus Anton Branach. OCP, Holding the Moon. Agus Jay Shuckett, Faksha Bra Sauce, and you to make Kinsa Daniel Rocklow and Taction in now, Shahan. 3 Ucani Porrick Mahoney, Nietzsche Shaw Hayes on her pad.
Neil Gandos August, go hard hit Trish. Rud Ash the Lord of Hardy, got on a Coramu. Began in Brewer, couldn't count Shaw score all.
agus Brendan Shishin níos fear. Oh, Coolbar and Patch Kennedy, Jenna Gamapra, her Generation, on Constellation Gandavi, Owen Murphy and John Moscow, that's good for Lechanish to Heron, and that Emerson Norha. Brew Chocton, Hossi for Dorgan, Tashi Forcha Rashichin, I saw her to Peter Hogan, will she put or no, Tashi Koramo, Jesichin, Tossi Wally the Gunner, Sauce the Ubri and a Pat can stop a hurle. Cool ahead in the Beerstock.
Second out, because Tashi David the score now, Carcalor, Tassala, her niece, cleaning Nashin the Testalua.
Canchin British Sheeserish. Should have fought it, running into block at her bar, Chin. Like Philip Mahoney. August Litter Orly Justin Ian Kenny. Shirley Wayne Hutchinson, Wayne Hookutsa, August Torrent Fodnatalo and Chin, Ronan and Chinishiger, Adrian Breen the Chalk Trasta, which he Orly Adrian Neil, Tackle could go in the Beerstock on Drumcla and Chop, with these shots, Shane O'Sullivan, Shane Fott, Shelley Fotchik Shane, Butcher Trasta again, G. Connor Power. And he Connor Power on a Billy O'Keefe, August that foul, Elegenta. Now, Shinan Caru Ur. Neil Mahoney, Neil and Crinius of 504, Ma Lennon and Pierce at Bully Zero, Martian Boha, Pat, Jet Raffle of her.
Walking out near the end out from Galician, Jane Alan Dempsey, I guess, be Graham Mahaga here, Rina O'Keefe Kamachan, a Machon Goul and Shin Conan Tashin, a Hogai, Acharish Mother's kind of hand, Nila Kaunawan, Korha, Erstray, good he shot, Egg Mahoney, Derek Leshan, Cool Barley, Breheran, Gakaunella.
Yeah, chance Eleganish. She the chat Bugging is a skill, Holy Count. She's a Bugging is hungry than goal. Can I put your shot on a skinish now? August careful, can't shot, Harriet Rasnon. So, Eruch the Kahar. Correct man, he tries Caracol in the court, it's before Ninish.
I can know Caroigan Countin, Gomorlesh, Marandina, a Hogan, Puckanasera, Tiggin Brew, a Vienna, and Danish in August. Tani and Count Goyaska Gahar Hagaluas the Clifford.
But General Maidan and the Pierce the score, the Chohavis Ferchin, the Puckanamach, Tabutze, Shelva Chohanish, Philip Mahoney, Philip Imnor, when him already shown, if we dare Gominicach, Tenachaka Lord Ibra. Shelva Chinigan, block up the Rish, and block out into his toe, and over it all, led Wally the Gunner, sauce the Enicho, Harborafad, Farconda Latin, David Franks, Tassata, Mon Eleanor of the Lope.
Second out, Coru Gomor Law Freeman Clishan.
Tenta go hauling a chin. Philip Mahoney from Robali and a Shane O'Sullivan, Bullish Jockey, Chilikin Hastino, hanging to the Tossi of Wally Gunner. August, Alan Dempsey, Chin, was a bullet for Alan Dempsey, he's on a guest, stop a coalition numbers, or the Vetak Shinaba. On a Kimberly now, she didn't Tim Pishlan of the honors, Rory again on Garhama.
Catherine Willing, Carter Father got Macdara, Nihan Solas, Shin the Dempsey, he's from Talib, was come. Ergo Wilshire Gorta.
JJ Hutchinson, which had to mark out, but no, the character was stopper.
Ni feather the hen count in the dark count.
Yeah, Jetashin.
For Bully Lider.
For Bully Lider, Marvey. Now, in Vertstev here, they need to draw host, Chinnish, it's an Ordon, we see the Capital Russia, then no. Kidney Etoch, JJ Hutchinson, Energy and Hampshire.
No, no, we should second, Aaron Slitter, because Niakisha, Dempsey, and second, Dernach. Agus mar dúirtú ní féidir le stoppan son nach is fear cruúid Dempsey táim cinnta go mbeidh sé reis ar a chosas tar a fad.
Bei sé ceart, tá sé craiteach, bei sé hagan ríiste fad.
Se fechar sin ní leon ar bhuiile leidir a bhí ón agus tháinig Dempsey amachas níos measa ná mar a tháinig Hutchinson. Rasher across the reach. Anna Harvey to the Piercing.
Now, Policia Aka, Ronan Lynch Reach and Cancha Tefugalish has a good bullet. Catch Capuyas can't clish this Jack and Chen and throw David Dempsey. But she fought David Dempsey, Elo Wayne Hutchinson. While Nietzsche Elo Wayne Hutchinson. Block all Elegant Hutchinson, Tom, block all. At all, let one in the corner again. Harborjo, Adrian Breen, a Cossack hauling. Breen, the torchwin score. Shinirut, Vishnu, Breen, Achta, Nirkton, Bulzer, Heaven, and Love, and Gesture. Peirukuramui, Kainor, and Achan Forest Portion. Keracholin, a Vower, and Yeshok, a Gatrosha, as Moid, Zdari Carro, Shinny, Anne Marie McGann, Zephyr on Walthorpe. Tá fáim mar we're cool. Ní rovinnig echt with there, Frederick Maxwell Tachnis Minikinish. Stephen O'Keefe, Harley Barnes, Jen Hitchy as a loving Pokemach for it. Chilla Fotter Rashig, Ronan Lynch, Ryan Chohanish, was in Canchan, Curtis Jack, Egg, Alan Dempsey tá Carcador, ní rodor de le seach Downs ag i'r televal, which he fought Downs Neil Tichenche, agus ag Glantamach Rish, ag Gladwalla Viconer Shane O'Sullivan a chin, Gagneta ag Shane, Ordian Chin again ish, as Kanchan Kanchavula, Lahu Kanchan Chin, Cosentwa agus Congur Contivlin, which in the Heritivlin have Peter Hogan, it's on Chile Fotch Peter Hogan, Rash Gagneta. Could David O'Sullivan is to see the gear and sports to Roho, the cancer trusted or JJ Hutchinson, Shin Late Sagama, Mike Casey, JJ Jenagama, Robbly and Casey. I was at Trusted Chin Concoro, Caha King, at on Chilifos, on adult shapes and Chin, as a Rory McGanaro, Gorkaho and Schlitzer, Shillam and Thompson.
Better gurling Cartiga, Russian, Niland out of Will, Imroli Ballyvig, Gunner, Dulishakala, the ring account, the Snakaivan Tifiti Kulinson. Agus fecha sin an drumcla choras teachar cuasaí hit an verticus Georgie there in Dalad.
But the Kerry Kane identical glory McGannos and Kerry Kane cart.
Tá. Kate van
Come on, Darren agus Slitter Katze was it. Jenna job mat Ferrach Lower. A bhí múntar maige. Can't you touch a machine? It's a counter to show. Adrian Breen is share a goal. Oh, Rishon Concentrating Philibani. Nichi got over. So the Denting O'Keefe. Oh, action. Ashtoch and Chen.
Kademar Hosson, big gach chance. And Shin Capus Fain Garev. Na Piercy Concula All and Shin O'Connor Bylan. Kademar Hosson and Shin. Oh, Ian Kenny.
Ian Kenny.
Oh, Dairy Grash. Chagbal Yen. But a Chagbal Mahi Yen of Homai.
The Nero to Chen is the O'Keefe. Ah, Sor Hosson to Chen August Sor. Hulbaracht.
Shagando. Adrian Breen of Egesh. Leisiniach there and Gedal, she said, Kademar Hosson and Santa. Niland out of Will. Imrori Ballyvic on her Nil Tashit Soustan, Dol Highland and Yov, Kate van Ged.
Tashit Ray, Augusta, Eden Garhach and Ian, so by her under the follow her Stach. It's coming up, couple of hin. Past Nero Ian Kenny, Niernsha panel, Fuglin is Ficky for Lorige. August in Ishtasher, Banel Chinchers, and the Costas Marshall had taken to Ken Fog Will. A chapter Stach under the follow Connor Sheehan.
Shag Fjauso, one town Galair, Ornton, Nora Hagan. Imror Shin 3 Nish Danny being Shenny's Bar.
To the run on this Marshin, the Shamoli Shaska Kui, August Kuil, Zero Roger Nicoli, August Shinnet Kate score, the Belt no Kui, no made Zeo Pat, Egg, the Pearson.
Dragon out, Hosik Shid Gamal, Gakulin and Son, Acha, Niland out the Corridor and Dalin, the Ballyvic Honorig Janet Nisfar Naid, August Force Nila Cool after her Klarna score.
Cool Atrach, no, Nivin, Tom Chaplin and Nivin scoring on an urchin, Kehot out, the lesson coach and Shannon Irrit, Egg, Peter Hogan, Augusta Irrit Peter, Cutter Heave, Lava Clay, Sreekin Cormoy, Ballyvic Gunner, Tayra, Igna Pierce, I'm cool.
Shag it out because her Lamar Summer, or to Macdara Nivin scoring on Ard in Cliffy Marshaw, August Gaktown, Harvey Taverton.
Took Marshin, busy, Smacht to be Jason Shinning, Shane Sullivan, August Foul, Elle, Genta, Ronan Lynch, or Shane O'Sullivan. Agus na rolet má Hossin Raider Sporik Mahoney a faimu mar a yenens go hondol.
Nil mór an daine cosol a Mahoney da sin Shane.
Nach an farga brad is like
Shane Dowling. Brad leis be gimmert agus Harvey Taverton so dóibh an a fucking Sarah chomai. Nil mór an Imrory a mohin sin chocrín le Mahoney deganá go hair agus is cum leis cecho fada sa bhín siad ón gúil nor a bhín an réad ar gobar dó tá se chocrín leon dina chunig maríad.
Chonig me Shane a chasta shachas dút me stohi go gilin jo kinse ni vai to gimmert agus vi kolak leis te virda na vakler to chani jach ligener by sha gimmert magavisha so the nearness Forik Mahoney Cooley wants scoring said no to just in the mele hole yapan I was reached Podge Kennedy Podge brass fast the glachel shach reach Fisher for Roo with Mahaganish because William O'Donoghue a Giran Passachor in Chennacha reached on Hossin Sensik that she fought to Ashley Ballyvic going to reach David O'Sullivan Stoney David Cruncham Passage Shock and Chin Bedger to Gruding Jazz so she early Peter Hogan you know Castle Gordon Ryan who's Gordon Ryan and Peter Hogan docha a jet of action here and your Passage Shock Lore Ichi Butch's half father Carl King will cheer for Carl Hen Robertson ton wrote the Ibra thought he glad Ballyvic under camera which in Bolt August Bejer Pat Nira and Clifford Zien Egg Pierce the father no better go to Shaw Chachton and Nigel Disha Mike Buckley, Niall Buckley, agus Canmore meets up for the Niall Buckley. On Cancham British, he's on Chella watching down the Qatar, Tasha Brano, Cogursham pass, the Ekin Shed in the bread shocked, or there all pass, seeds up downs, Trastic G, Ronan Lynch, Ronan is Smacked and Jerry Dure, Fotching Dore, Cotton Hart, Tasha Tortfin score, Himna Lava Clay, Tasha Bulter, or Ronan Lynch, Tashi Bulter, Himna Lava Jesha.
What do I do to one son? Agus MTM Gomor. Lat Macdar a níhórste clifa crú a fioáin ag lecha canis lim níhí bua éasca chuthir chilvachalóg agus bua Harbheith éasca chuthir I gcuine na garige divan sin ag lecha lecanise agus ar an féhile den scéal bhí clichi crúa a immert ag bailhí gunnar go háirithe I gcuig mún.
Now, Javine Kenny sin réile teach ríis idir dálín fanmu an nimmert. Machbúlteach an sellh fáteráisiach tá na Pearsa féú písa bheith go híh sellh áil an na pocan amach níos céoh sa slitir Jim Páric Mahoney déhan. Tá sé fátear deire ag Conor ar Peter Hogan búlteach an sinnig Philip Mahoney teach sa gáil tá Peter Hogan teach trasanis which he fáte ag Peter Hogan rough ó Niall Buckley ríis agus Canmore Glanta ag Niall and Canchin later agus Philip Mahoney gold sheer Philip an slitter chuir trast in the parket a gir an luas úsáid agus tá Canchin a teach trasta agus tá Bertie go teach is sin ordig go Jesse David O'Sullivan nish tá JJ Tigers tá David Foster go reach Cash and Canchin hole da come on Bulta da come on and yet David O'Sullivan Dara Colin agus and Kerry Colin at the reach
Had out and Dara Colin and sin no David O'Sullivan agus league share better go raibh chun pass live a horse shach and sin den ach fechar sin a chuig sé réige féin agus thug sé faoin scór agus anscór ón go man gan teagmhail live a dhéanamh leis a churbh.
Now, Ian Kenny Tuckerash, ceap mis pas má bhíor parca ágáil le gosta fola go róir Gandhi arthú beidir gúil ibre cethir eileach ganis.
Beidir
an chuirmach an tar bhile bhí gunnar bheidís agrahil bheith freisin dentachá an pocamach sin in the Harrod tíb líne sin Fergal Horgan. Bhí mar fersa lárnach sa glár sin bhí ar an telefís cúpla seachtain hen féicla fa canis na héireann. Tug sleas a búta ísio ríis Shachador Peter Hogan, Peter an Hudson sin gente ag Niall Buckley, tá Buckley gimmert go má. Tá Hogan a chur brú máthar tinner. An brú agus siar go dtí Kennedy agus an cúlbáire. Agus an chosisiú to Kennedy sin na spás a cruthú dá é. So canna chur sias a sin Ian Kenny hósan. Agus chut gana lad san tosí seo atá ag na Pearson ní siad feice agin chorba fós. Peter Casey ní dun much an treis lábha lagan ar slitter fós. Wayne Hutchinson a got Chirichin, Archon go Tablin, agus a puch less of it. No, he not a puch less of it on. He Timro him off near on Schlitter him up. Agus tá Nadal Shechin Cheneg roaring again, agus puch here was on the wall of the gunner. And Tashid Marvach puchana simple
they don't. Ni lend out to William Rory, Ballyvi Gunner Ray, Conenrud, a Tastal again of Conan and Walker Haroun and Sean Yov, because my Lannan shid Leshenir Shin, Masruda will see the opposite Lanak Leshenir Shin, big chance on Wahako and Crave of Walkant.
Agus tá Cheshire Jago her Bork, Morekich of Chin, Fergal Claims, Fergal Chatcha, Ashakor Corlichin, or Ian Kenny, agus Shilingro, Ian Gimmercelina Lachul. Ach tá Ian Corrashin is ríis. Agus an jobsin denta ag Fergal, tug sleasa idir dálín búlsa. Agus Billy O'Keefe a géirí cancelá líchí fáte ag Billy, tá sí fáte ag sláuní sin á lába. Ronan Lynch. Agus Nish Conor Boylan. Boylan a gáil a rúthar. Tá Bert na sála urchin David Shane Welch a den díomh tá sé Robalta agus tá Wayne Hutchinson is teach chamá tá sí ag Boylan agus fechar sin fechar an obair tá sí tátaí ina puch sleasa is an a Tom seo chun a Pearsa.
Some pelle de Yegrish Ballyvic Wonder and Son, he'd a chaptish chap a topic, Iran Dine, on the Piercing Atai Shellivan or Leroy. And the Kahig Imrory and Piercing and Slitter, Immer Divadnis Tapula, on Costantori Ballyvic Wonder, Oskil de Macbiogan in his mod, Namrata.
Nishta, Rory began a Gleoch Trust, Barry Cockton about Agustasha on Cortabui has bought on Holy Olive Connor. Near here kind of push Hamley in the past club knock on them.
Shag it out, Niakon, I cared a Harley, better a Harley, Rudeg and either a fan, Agus Kevin Down, Needham, Kate van Gate, Kintifishin, Murra, Vimmer. Oh, yeah. Umra Skyler, Schulenson.
WWF, Shachas CLG. Nish. Ronan Lynch was a book last night. Tashi Boots a Harva or the Ronan Lynch. Panic Shin Gotaz. Tashi hauling a Ronan Lynch or the Ruff.
Shag it out. Tascorne, ag Tastal Godoita, Uha, Kenach will Latra, a cool Maradorti kind of fan. Ach, I can kind of shin score inspirator.
On level Umyochta. Tá tógáil tamil ar na Pearsa teachta stachar nis tá bailí gunnar an unsaí ríis an cancha na titim sias Judge Hudson na gira televáil ní tí fáte ag Jada tá tí fáte ag Alan Dempsey Robert Arbor sin ag Peter Hogan sin Jensen go Jessic Hogan nis á mé Hogan á ba dímar na sin ní an se in tangáil carta sin chorah be cartíh chu ar trasán tá sí chur amach Niall Buckley ríis Oscar Niall na gólaí scuile se Canmore mílte fada tá se se cooling na carga diva ach tá rá brodile Tanya han Adrian Breen na gairí go hard sin which sí fáte Adrian Neil Philip Mahoney gur an slitter ordo ní tí fáte Philip ach an dar irut túr cahar timp nis tan na Pearsa teach mar Anigid so that David Breen and fidid herb of Fullen Breen Canmore or the shock tá Cochran is tá down the tree which she fought a Cochran thought and cancer the ligan amach sin an Capru can to Cormoig na Pearsa agus trí cíní ballí de Gunnar ach cé chu táúil tá han Pascal Gerrard to cúpla uram an cool sin beis an
agad an cool sin a seasavetar an tom galéir ag fós Cosantóirí Ballybig Gunnar ag déanamh go hanwa.
Pocamach pointáil sin ag Stephen O'Keefe. Seo Páric Mahoney is Páric a tuairt faoi scór, no. Páric ar thaobh na lábha. Jessis, or na bh cléad bheart an rás, tá Cherry Kane Curramóí Cain or in a chop. Pucan amach Stephen O'Keefe haar bar.
Gandát. Anna Crean agus déanaan pucan amach mar sin anna íomhríocht déanaan sé rudí an éascad an fearrtá fáil an slitter.
Philip Fotarash ach an rís Hardy Barnes faoi bhróid sin. Siúbhí Eddie Hayden slick go glic a Ryan sin ach bhíon canchin a mihar an taobhlíne. Sin feice ag Colm Lyons. Muir líne, fog slasa a bheits an. Ag na Pearsa an seo agus Ronan Lynch a chuin cancha bhóla agus an túáil le chataisteach bhfuil measta bhfuil slitter term.
Ní leanrín bhfuil chunig mar Donnie Neal an House an Ardán so better go me slitter termón.
So Fogra Jason an chólacht a rinn an slitter shop. Put an alling ag Lynchach bhúlsa ar thaobh na lábha clé.
Sin an cóig go ceann imethe ar sré ag na Pearsa Cherry Kane. Imethe mó ag Ballybig Gunnar ach fós níl an tátrú an ceart mar heag tosathe na Pearsa gur chorbit.
Ríist pointáilte ag Stephen O'Keefe, Mark Harley Barnes and Tom Shot, Siúbhí Ian Kenny. Ian na Brando Sources, Bullet and Cantona, Tom Cantona, Legic, Mike Casey, J.J. Hutchinson. Gola mach go brú ar Casey an seo ach Casey Jenna Mass skip on Harris an immer to non colleagues so I got a rower and chop as I give inspired a horse go hod in Noriella Tasha Roberts on Chella Fotarash a Ballybig Gunnar Reach a pass strategy Páric Mahoney Robert Jackson Jennings William O'Donnell and Farry and Kulor Ibrogs like Gimmers Mohammed Abir so on Canchan Trasinage Mahoney Jenna Harborich and Sean piece of skill in it Mahoney Fisher Tarney Shears in Catbagger Love Tarney Shear the Billy O'Keefe for Gold Reach Carl King of Shear Carl King and Jenna Gabachin or Emerson Carl agus Clonachan Canchan Machatív ach tan tá sé géirún is an umíocht an chopáis bei Foxlessa sin ag na Pearsa agus beidir Chancellor ar scór ag Ronan Lynch.
Dégar nígad tá imróí na Pearsa ag Cactus Jackson san umíochta a levéil umíochta ag Ardú ach tá céad le beag nach hart.
Táim an cúteamh gortaobh agan.
Ach an néad tá feice gcuine beidir ba ceart go meach Ballybig Gunnar beag aní níos mó chun tosig.
Yes, tá níos mó gan mar tacha 15. Nis. So then tríú an Capru Puchlasa aige, which I Canamán, Gar, Canamán har a trastan, Canala ar fórí, so get the answer is a gamsha. But I got trastan the park, I was actually an glicker fad. So she fought the Johannes Peter Casey caught a heart agus Hogsha Tamil father chapter Jach ach an am good to go to Kate score entry Peter Casey Tyra Atrinish.
And then up nach an Kate or Rinish and Tagba Lish and Flitter ach Rinner on and Lynch behind by being counting Harvey Toysta a Max Spas was Cork Casey and Shin agus Nora Masruda by Casey Flitter Marshin Crippy and Shella score Gaki and no.
Agus Casey Chapter Risha Rasha Cleggan Toulouse Vishishin Budza Gavisa Gagroshi Korha move so ta hoikin a team is Corhamóca. Matt Reach, watching Shane O'Sullivan, Shane of Casa Hearts, Canchan and Woolish the Heart, Billy O'Keefe of Fanna Queen Ganchan Nietzsche watching Billy, Peter Hogan attack come out. Niall Buckley reached out, Niall Buckley out Glanishtak, Adrian Breen again, Shelval, Toshi watching Adrian Jenna Harbour, and Toshi Bilbur again, Kenny, Adrian Awolaga Skippy, Adrian Awolaga hauling, scoring to watching Shaw, Agner Pearson.
And Dara County Adrian Breen, it was an Ishkan at Coolin, either Naforna, Shinrod, Araves Ontusuk, Teresha, and Canasiach, a V, a Ballybig Gunnar, Fagan Kate, like a lair Bioka.
Yeah, should have what's it, Rash, Ballybig Gunnar initial reach, but it made Trev Siobhan, Immer Hagan. Tessa go cheer, agus Shane Sullivan a chat to the east, agus well, our red Ilin Kinal Ord and General Pat.
Hani Shaka Collider, Crackle
Ord,
and Revilin, a chapter Shaka. Well, Hannigan, Ilin.
David Dempsey, need Dolan, no, need Dolan, yeah, trashed out.
Bolin or do, so Hannigan, Ilin Susan.
So Philip will hurt the boy at this point, need some wells. No, sure. Offer Killoganer. Nah, need Dolan. Veneration need Dolan. Need Dolan going to be on. Need Tangwallach. Need Dolan going to. So, what is that going to patch? Tosh Johan Paul took the Torrik man. He can't show all.
Mar out. Gonna count one score all to get the show. Niga Milica Hardinche.
Marvito Road. The maids master to be Akka or his Shelvige. Need to the cooling compressor.
Neil Gandalf. August. Did a extra Mark Howard dive. Dulles Chachel Hammer Master the Ganarian Law and Barna or Alano Biogani in his mom.
Dírucht here going Lina Shaska Kuig again. So she would set on Tangol Gamach, need Dolan going to Krinistan, need Tashi Koramo. Hulkin to Koramo Korfad.
Tashi Esgalor doing that kind free Achat with the Sloan Galor Mahinson.
Oh, Agusa, well, being lent in his fiery Toriko on the Bully Siren. Nietzsche Faimo Umlan Carton Johan Kulchen and Damsha. Connor Tower, Dochulin Zernach, Fogenshan, Nachul, Coolin at Riglahama, Eglahama Cho, Balivi Gunner, Hennig Kahar, the Pearson Noji Shave, Emajalash, the Hannelish, gone wide.
First time I used this bus was probably way back in 1977 when I went over on trial to Celtic.
There's the 30 over trial. Harms like hard to show me battle. Go be out like a leg and I just walk them or show get Garvin.
I just work for the grab one year abroad. Harms a dog that after some in the Sandal shedding last who's going to abroad the world.
Bus class hole. Strandoa at Tosnowhere and Chehola.
Special Agent Deirdre reporting latest intelligence. We are no closer to discovering exactly whose man your man is.
It's baffling.
Meanwhile, our data shows that the humans continue to choose Ireland's cheapest dual fuel bundle with Energia.
Shh! Abort communications. We have human incoming.
Now, Mr. and Mrs. Fluffy Pants.
I do wish you wouldn't call us that.
Switch to energia.ie.
Things change when you look at the world differently. As populations grow, their need for food does too. So our farmers and food producers are responding with what's right beneath our feet. Through Origin Green, they're coming together to produce food as sustainably as possible, within a viable industry, in a way that's more respectful of local communities and our natural environment. Visit origingreen.ie to find out more about Ireland's pioneering approach to sustainable food production, using the power beneath our feet.
You put in the effort to make Christmas special. We make paying for it effortless. Tap into Christmas with Visa Contactless.
Black of peas came to make it hot. We beat the fire starter, bubbling up just like lava, heated like a sauna, penetrating through your body armor. Rhythmically we massage ya.
Big job interview?
It's my credit reunion today. I need to look my best. Either I get this home through alone or my husband turns our bedroom into a gaming den.
Did you say financial empowerment through flexible lending? Who are you? Don't worry, Sarah. The credit union welcomes back all members, even you, opened her account at age 12, but later decided a local cooperative with convenient, straightforward loans wasn't worth committing to.
How do you know I know you?
I don't, Sarah. I don't.
Get a flexible loan from a lender who cares. Have you had your credit reunion?
No one has spoken to me in days. My bed was a patch of wet cardboard. The first time Jack came to Merchants Quay's 24-hour night cafe, he cried when we said hello. Give as little as €4 to keep homeless people like Jack safe and warm tonight. Text Jack to 57666 to donate by phone. Please, text Jack to 57666 now.
Brigade Fáilte Aisce Dúlas wa Bhualamshib a chuid an ólas fao GA dó a bheith sa feicáil deilúnte thugann ag a hochtachlog beidh cluiche leathcheannis an na láin agus feicim mud cluiche ceannis an na múna cluiche seo tá ar siúl faoi láthair is stáid simple. Chomáile sin an lún feicim mud cluiche leathcheannis pelle ola agus rialcha idirnáisiúnta an dára cluiche an Astráil a gunne éire. Ach Thomadin seo is stáid simple agus is iad bailibhíonar atá an cín ach níl ach puinte amháin idir na fáine ag leathama. Tá Sir Lines am a hananta in seo Sir dé ará go bíad bailibhíonar bhí go mórchan cín sa chéad sin ach mar chunig mu ar chlár an scóil ní rannach an puinte amháin an cúil sin Harbheith tábhacht a tháinig sé dúsach le nuair bhíon dá ar an choram.
Tá an scór an ísle nach cúlagus ceir chuíon bailibhíonar sé chuíon na Piarsaigh. Ní raibh ach deis amháin le tháinig sé ó Puchtaobh Líne frise isteach fuair Conor Power an slitar Slánaigh an cúlaí nuair fuair sé an slitar ní raibh éiad féin agus an chomh bair a bhrise seach sa Carnóg agus críocann sé agus nastal isteach sa chuoine. An taon seans a bhí bailibhíonar an cúlaáil agus fuair sí dé. Feic mí a bhí sé nuair tháinig an cúlaí ní raibh an chun é stoppa. agus críochnaí agus snastas sa chuoine.
Tá chéachnaí agus snastan sin ag Conor Power. Tá na Piarsaigh ag láidreú sa gluthe agus is iad a chéachna an leis sin níos láidre agus bhí seansnaí ar cúla chu héin.
Bhí seansnaí dúsan bheith bhuaigh Adrian Breen slitar álín chuig sé pas go David Dempsey agus na sin thusig sé raig agus chuig sé pas dó David Breen ach ní pas maithe Slánaigh sé uig agus bhí ar é búir an talamh agus stop Stephen O'Keefe. Agus dan sé amach an ceann eile dairigh le Adrian Breen áil ach feicimid an seo costan dúnta go Ian Kinney bhúil tháinig sé reis go David Dempsey agus arís bháil Stephen O'Keefe go maithe.
Well, puinte amháin idir na fáinne mar sin anseo ag leathama. Is iad bailibhíonar atá an cín héna cad acu siúd. Sé puinte ag na Piarsaigh go fóileach neart lé a dhéanana is na siirmí festas ag leathama. Bain mu arás leis a dáir le, tíadach é seo.
Bhí sí cheandan na Horaní is fearr a bhí a riomhán a ngearan.
Bhí roineart speisialta cí náhuaigh in aile.
The clear tone of voice, man. Unbelievable.
Siarm gro a henne a gcónaí géirí mistéirí na bheithe a hiiscint.
And she was at the top of her game.
Síl agus sihir etna ní ghuala hain. De cedanne ar TG Cehar.
Good night, Connor.
And we're down we go. And we're down.
Who we are is how we play.
Those were the days of our life. Bad things in life were so few. Those days are all gone now.
Mortgage hunters, AIB believe it's time for you to say goodbye locked-in long-term regret. Goodbye confusing upfront offers. Goodbye rate rage. And hello to Ireland's lowest variable rates from AIB. Rates that will save you way more over the life of your mortgage. Rates available to every existing and new AIB customer. Because fair's fair after all. So goodbye rate rage. And hello Ireland's lowest variable rates from AIB.
Almost there, love.
Good boy. Everybody out!
Come on, boys.
Careful, just watch the...
Taxi!
It might not be made here, but everything about a Skoda is made for Ireland.
Find the ideal gift for the future sporting star in your world. Get online and visit the GAAstore.com, bringing global brands to local heroes.
Black Friday has landed with thousands of amazing deals. Available right now only at littlewoodsIreland.ie.
Umaru is losing his sight. Trachoma is causing his eyelashes to turn inward and scrape painfully against his eyes with every blink. Just €4 can provide sight-saving treatment to 5 children like Umaru. Text SAVE to 57666 to donate by phone. Please, text SAVE to 57666 now.
Well, bhuaile me go buinte seo mairú riomh gan darmadíana go mbeidh cluiche leathcheannis an láin le feiceáil iarmheo le cúla a gcuine níomhhairtaí a sin iní an chréalta anseo in Norlas. Agus is in Maston atá Míal O'Donnell agus tríchla ar siúl sa Fenway Classic cheara chundé in nóíocht am líana bra clí in ána Champagne Galia agus chundé an chláir a gcuine Hebridáin agus an clé canis le feiceáil agus a sin le feiceáil ar TG Cahead ag leabhartar éis cuaig. Agus bain muid ar aslibh ar GAA bo an sachtan se thugann de dúna se thugann clé canis pelle chonacht agus clé canis pelle na mún le feiceáil iarmheo agus muid éan ag leabhartar éis go chéan. Wat moet van na fórne hiachtamach ar fort na himmer is gondála a chun chéad sin sur ceangnú dí smú hasamach ná an ráta aibre de chlétí a bhí ag bailh gunnar tá fún troda arúine.
Ja, cinnte ceanta rúgfinte ná cosint agus ráit ibre. Tá sé feicáil an seo téan Conor Boylan ruúth réanar feachta duine bert trúr timpplair lean sé raig agus rihhearra bec tá duine bert trúr cúigar ar caiilann sé an cléthe agus fáin Barry Gunnar an sitar a reis gus chillah reis.
Agus stói taréis an chéad leis sin ag deireadh na chéad leatha sin is iad na píorsaí ag chríochta an leag go láidir leis na tosaí a fáil cúpla puinte Harbheith snásta agus is stói gur bíad is sásta bheis ag le ham an dóla.
Ní a cúlín na fórne agus churícní si go seach seo cúlín ó don Peter Casey, tháinig sé puc slasa ó Ronan Lynch, seo ceann eile ó Adrian Breen imráir bhí feicáileach sa chéad le agus seo ceann seo scór tábhacht an dóibh. Ní acmar tosathe na píorsaigh sa chéad le a gúrnta.
Stói rud amháin a bheith si de díú ar a gampan na bíorseach ag le ham ná an líon pucan na éirice thug siad dmhthú. Ní féidir an teis céan na Hortgy Park mehanní sa dáir le.
No, mar tá scór an ísin agus tá gach scór tábhachtach, so caiib si smach níos mó a bheith sa dáir le.
Well, tá dá ar an taréis gomas sa léirú ar fort na himra ó hús an séisiir a céithúr is ló an chréibh inne. Gomad sus go fadla mac darmach donnach an is gon dáir le.
Maith tá ar trasa 3,390 sinna méid tá takeisteach an seogus ónadí takeisteach dóhhaile bh gunnar ag le hama sinna Tim O'Sullivan Derry David mac le Tiger nói agus JJ Hutchinson tá baint amachcha JJ Cúragus trí cholín ag glyfa lechanis mún ach Jackarty agino an Mike Casey. Martin, tríchanomid idir na Pierce agus críomh a cahar. Tríchanomid idir Walivic Gunnar agus críomh a dó. Níor hail na Pierce riamh a críomh amán a club na mún. Wilchashin can Lana Troy, Feckham with Dinfichan, Lara Clegg the Martian, or Noy Machritin Chil Corum and Chopra, Shaskanomed, Bay Brescia Agest. Agus in Kay don't see in shot, Agus Peter Hogan again, near the spot to Jack Dega, will Captain. Will in Tanon, a Kurishakar Hogan, Chin, Niall Buckley, Robert Town over Billy O'Keefe, when they all rash, a Hunziela Chacta, the Fanatachin, Philip Manny, through the draw, her Porrick, she fighting Porrick and Toffree scores, and here on they Porrick, which is in great, Shin score, into the Porrick Manny, and we're winning to a pass. The horse had 3 key moves again.
I'm going to be a triple fan again. Let's just let her shake that. Because I agree on a whole I'm sure Acha near the triple they're big about the sun Kadesh in more scored the Olivic under a toast and Barrel Hanson.
I don't know, Neil Enco, you said to Joe Eddie Hayden, is still a Fotchik Eddie. Can't Butcher Chasta Lorgs, the Alan Dempsey Fan Chinach, Tosha Fotchik, Peter Hogan, the Lad Nabirsa, Oga Leggy Kale, Peter Hogan on one Howard, Well, Riechna, the Pearson Lloyd are back on, Tuscori Ballyvic under the course in shot.
And out Beamer, a Kappa Better, Kirkcamel, Ballyvic under Nis Frida, Contostic, Glahama, the Shin made Master Kishavia Costa Gate, that Kaddish in more score and Shin, or Peter Hogan, Concurlish and Counter 4, Parrick Manny, no Meadowin.
Wayne Hutchinson and Ori, and Chinnox and Leroy Howard. Wayne the Chach Trust in the Parket, I shall give Peter Hogan Amtulishin, with Peter Honey all, Neil and Tom Shaw, Margot, she fought Rash, a Alan Dempsey on Emertic Dempsey and Chinnox, they got a rower. Nish, the Bert Butching it, Tashi Fosing Dempsey, the Porrick Manny, Chach Trust, Rory, took a joy, Dempsey, is in passage Chach. Boylan knocked up, Boylan Rubble Chach, William O'Donoghue, Chach Regent, Golan Fotchik, William O'Donoghue, is William Chella Fotchik Rash, a Ballyvic under Reach, Neil Tamawell, the Ballyvic under V. Mohor Barket, Dustok, the Pierce, the Honeycomach, and Yip. Special Kennedy Roy, the Banish Story Row, Alan Dempsey, Risha, the Chelafotchik, Colin Cheshire, and Tom Chop, William O'Donoghue, Giri, Olanish, or the William Erdara, Tasha Gira Dol, Tasha Gira, Eluchin, Eddie Hayden, Fosig, William Anfis, Ebrinchen, and Paslova Chachach, and Paslova, Tiji Stachalova, Wayne Hutchinson, with Shane Welchinish, Chelafotchik, Shane, Kochap, California, Shane Adol, Trastagogy, David O'Sullivan, August and Kanchinish Chach, Giri Chelava, all and Chop. A fair took a shot, Tim O'Sullivan, not over Rishik, Mike Casey. I was in Bersic of a Torrent as he came, Capringer, Shea was like in the Geston Chin, Chella Fortunish, Peter Hogan, the Hallow Gentle Shoot, took Slass of us on now. Henry Cap, much around the corner, Jingle Major of Foul Genta. Vast Mitchell Major at Trevisha, Pat.
They're going to have she Craig Galore, they're going to have been in Leave one Tash, Captain Oster, Aaron Gussentori, Gas number Shin, I'll took Slass and Nish the Valiant Gunner. In a Jerome Boylan.
No, Shaw have back points.
Sure, Hannick Shakar does because they're to get Chagwell again.
Greenmaker or come on again, yeah.
Big Greenmaker.
And push that's a Chuck Trust and shot. Niall Buckley Reach. Gimmers Harbor. Victor Humsa. Achatsa Robert Zakaluzur. When they're Marathon Trochter Reach. Glanta Mahachenega. Carl King of Gulshire. And Gail Gore and Kjol Thorings and Captain. As a catching in the Harativ in the Puchlasse of Essan, as a Ballyvic under West and Puchlasse.
Kademar Brew at Agor, Egg Ballyvic under or Hossentor in a piercing, so hope and Nomet, Low Hilton, Sus, Darnada. Giri Barna, Oscar Sos, because 3 Colleen after it, Bakarkamek, Maradoras, Nesmo after Glahama, Akfan Barna, Made Hakonish.
I can't watch an issue. We looked there, Logis Hashishin, but the Haratrasta and a video cave in the on. Sour score.
Our scores and then Darna County Billy Counterman Siketa agus Kadishin mar scored and scope better Countess na scoring as far Chonikamar and Chanub Dira Kamer and Tablina Shaska Slatamach on Cool agus Kademar Crinis.
And they're going to Shacharisha, Sanchella Fotcharash and Pierce Shahan Chansonish, David Dempsey, a Bullish Akishin, Stephen O'Keefe. So what a Chinnogs and Shella Fotchik, Steve, I think Lantamakama, Stephen. All Star. Dina Rog, Hjartan Granderson of it, took a go, well, Neil Button of it, Jency Stephen O'Keefe and Yogstan, the Puckanamach, Harbor of Fad. Nish K. Wuhason, Shellish, Canton Rock and El Ekes Muds. Like I said, well, Torori again on Gars, and you can just have those Balach. Tackert the Jakobin Schlitter, there's there to Nuri, don't you have a Hamesh Schlitter.
We are knowing Fecka Guinegalair, the Russian, but there are Bacarta Pedre, Habishak, Lano Mer Vivishin.
Catchashaka Skip Easy, Fotcharash Shane Welch, Shane Hokulter Chen, on over David Breen, David Kuhn Gamahan Yorkshire, Contra Peter Casey Nation, Chancing Peter, Peter and Titchamach, Koma, Matasha Titchan, and Morowell, does he put Aaron Traston, Peter Casey, Doris Gore Eggleston.
And Koma Casey can score in a Marshina Island, Tom Galera. Rinne a tosa he gomachan chun brew a choir agus rinne David Breen gomachan e hochal and son agus an destin a crudo.
Ronan Lynch, Ronan Chin, which is talking to draw David Breen. Costin Hodgins the chin again. Kenny Hovey Mascon chin for she fortune ish. Costin Hodgins she fortune. Kevin Downs, Roy Downs. The Downs got Trasta. Celtic Green. August only Cole scores in David Breen. Mascon and your Costin Dory Wallaby Gunner. August on Cole scores in David Breen.
Carter Foddy got Mascon after her Cat Galore. August Pecker Shire Riglo. Costin the Downs and Chin August Pass. All in push. The Mac Figgy David Breen August Nivek. Cool by the Halavan down a bech abel to Taddy Yen of Finn Orachin, Kadashin, Mar Raspers, Jack and Marley and Dine.
It's caught my robe, tucking in knife rod in the himmer as the Darrell Hanshaw, Ta, the Pearson Trish, Tarrant's Corham and Shaw, Nish, Willan Chachtanir, Sinit Hitsini, Egg Ballyvick Gunner, Marshin Droch Willan, Vishi, the Gimmer Tar Bori, Truth and Darrell, I was good Tovan, California Corham.
And you don't go with the file look, go with him or her, Corabin, sign of.
Agus yn Tocamak, got to move, is Fotchig, William O'Donoghue, Bullish Dach Orderchin, Todd Chella Fotch, Agus will score Ella Chafton, Tom Canchin, Bulchig, Adrian Breen, trio score Agus and Agus Ish, Na Pearson, Gutcha Hunkeen, Dun Gadur Le Fada.
Dun Gadur Le Fada, Marador took Kadishin, Marga Wild, Vishin Ard, and Aaron, Son Agus Kadishin, Marga Wild, Agus Dumpy, Shaka Tapping, Agus Collins, Naston, Son, Corha Haran Drasnan, against Throwerby.
You know, Mark Tash got a Harvard Tautoch, Egg Ballyvick score all the time. He have one or have Hullahort can on Totrun shot stop Agus Combader. Ordo, a good fan money in the hand, Ordo, Neil Allen Dempsey, Hunligan Dove, score Bogall, no, Neil Che, one and run on Lynchinish, a bullet shots his bosses, and ish, Factor going to Piercy, Tossie, Merchant shot, and ish, show that Conor Boylan. Conor Boylan, Bishar, Orin, Fiblin is thicker, well, Honish Shop, or under the top Boylan, and Rory Boylan, the Boylan is playing over Cole, and Catchin, stop big Stephen O'Keefe, and Chennagus Corcutcha, Butcher Stephen O'Keefe.
Shin and Thomas Farrell, Butcher, Eva Curraby, Ruher Air, Mahabiaun, and Fisher Geary, the Neg, and I'm Stewart, near the Venia Sayer. Near the Venia Spas, Aga Severe, Tortford, out near Bulshag, my head. Yes, the Lord O'Keefe.
The David Breen, Kakador, Vedra, Huxra, David, Nishuk, on this Gagna, David Breen, Ekelner, Tana Hammerton. Marshin, Stephen O'Keefe, Bishop Buckamach. The Pearson got a Hunkeen, and Ur Yarmach of Vader Hunkeen, Vishas a Kuigo Nomad. So Kanish O'Keefe, I was in Shelley Fotze, on Hogan Contablin, David Sullivan, Gary Hunyal Shit, Jair Lechi Hunyal, Anna Martigo Sullivan, on Schlitter fucking ye again. There's a Kulu Shear and Chen. Ronan Lynch, she imi her table in the puck sless, Ella Eves on the Wella Vic Gunner now. Honik Misha, Torek Mahoney, Grieve, Fort Lauriga, Mount Cameron Canish. Horsha Puxlas a Hard Traston, each on the capture of Hortasser, Marlijan Puxlas a Hogan. Kai King a gold shear from Niall Buckley, Tachtamachar East. Peter, the law of Connor, or power on each of the chin. She fought a Rashid Ronan Lynch, and must skip on a mark. But William O'Donoghue, a whole Lackby Lord Park, or Hummer the Lord Park, be Hertam Raw, which is that can order us. Chin or Boylan. She fought Boylan Neeler Gay the Rucht. Philip Mahoney, Stihan Chin, Guybrook Crew, Marian Chagoni, Wayne Hutchins, got Jim Nietzsche, Fotchig Wayne, Adrian Breen, Gary All, Nietzsche Fotchig, Rokella, or the Jerry Harley Barnes, the Chatamach, and Rokshan, Nimmer Twag Harley, Ragadi, David O'Sullivan, Titchy Olava, David, Shane O'Sullivan, come on, David, Targi Shear, or Shane O'Sullivan, Kappa, Howla Hop, Targi Shear, Butcher Shahan, should throw Hogan, as they gave Elo Night Buckley, on Hyde and Shin, Top Buckley, Janagama, Chatashach, Jim, Billy O'Keefe, finish. Agus that will Ross something doing near up. Chachtamachin, the Lauder, well, Tom Butcher the Beers, the Capital Ground Fox here, Mike Casey, Chachtamachinish, Machkadi, Tommy Graham, just glad the Machin, Tommy. Eddie Hayden again, Schlitter, all a chin, which he Fotchik, Ed Neal, Philip Mahoney, Gold Shear, Fotchik, Philip August, and Paslova Shear. So Dr. Fotchik, Shane Welch, Ryguji, Wayne Hutchinson, Wayne, Cangar, Titchy Mach, Aslova, David O'Sullivan, Torik Mahoney, Chatachach, and Corwillish, Ben Kate Scorella, out of Fetcher Rumsa, Torik Mahoney was Canmore Orden was, and Chenagiri British is, Buckley Rish, which he Fotchik, Buckley, Neal, and Tom Shop. Again, Schlitter ordered into Berchafana to Jodini Jivisha, Alan Dempsey, Thal Gimmers Kamah, Dempsey, Hen Robertson, the Chella Fotcharashi, Bolly the Gunner, Nish, a pass to the Harley Barnes, Harley, Tetchin White, Fotcharashi Gardara Ears, and Gear the Passager shot, touching, putting Shane Sullivan, Sullivan Tracy, Deporik Mahoney, show them Bokan on the score, the Amcho. As a Shin Rotagum, Canada Kurmui, Porik Mahoney, on Caprucan Kurmui, Porik.
Shaz, more than through in our Creeknig and Pisa Ibrahim Ashin, the score, and Pisa Ibrahim, there is Farah, Honikamer, O'Hos and Triffa, on Dahead. Agus a Creeknig and Closure, Le Chevar Card Capmore, Le Porik Mahoney, Ach, Neil and Red are a Gopper Kate, Fan Gate, the Porik and Yub, Agus Coigan Counsha, Early Eshagas of Hori Louis, Shin Dempsey. Porsche buile sa chéad le freisin.
Tá cúpla buile fáte tá Shane White a héin. Jack Hart. Beidir go bhfuil for beidir an spray dríochta úsáid an sin. So tá denóid caite sa dar le agus na tíirsa éilithe chun tosa. Shea Fitzpatrick in fog in the park. Now Dermot in the year shot cooler as Blackley and I named Martin Lochgarman. Cliff a Lachanish on the line. Chaft is Park Carnell and Blackley. Is that Downs again Rochelle Vollich and more than Gentic Downs. So she fought to Johanish and Boylan on Emertic Boylan Chachador Downs reach Shane O'Sullivan got cheer Chin or the Majestic Shane on Emertic Shane August Shane Oglana reach to Hoods Gentica Kinsa on catching British Shees August Dempsey Chatterash reach now Buckley Jenna on job Camera or Peter Hogan Fotterash Buckley reach Buckley August Glanachak Canmore Istach Bertha Lane to will she fought to Conor Boylan, needs she fought to Conor Boylan, the Gira Tatamachas Shin, Ian Kenny, so then Downs in Ish Canmore meet to Hordick Downs. Georgie, Harold Trastor, Kevin Downs, Payrin Ishko Arisbor, Egna Pearson.
Started out there, last second, Downs couldn't count Son of Ola and Kate scored though in Yuv. Near Eric Leshian score oil, a Feckershin, Mardoris near a Moran Splash, now Omega. At the Eric Leshian Volker, around Kadeshin, Mar score week, Mardor took off, Uli in it on the corner.
Agus is an Ishatan brew or Wallavic on her. Agus talk about Helen telling me more. We should Galera guy brews again that Yeelanish. Shot to John Jugalader and pass Trasta throw. She fought to Kevin Downs or down Takamach the Park Gira Elo of can contradict it Bailey Stephen O'Keefe and then her Borich and Bernslitter thought Stephen was passed over Makachi Wayne Hutchinson. Mr. Amig Wayne Can Ishel. So she fought to David O'Sullivan. David Nachwil Hayford to Honor the Bingo Hondolig, Sasha Robert to Chino is on, Fisa Emergenic, William O'Donoghue, Robaliana in the Harative in the Fox Lastivas on a Hanish, Talads, the Beers of the Guy Pass.
That is Jacob Nis Lider, Agus Comma, Wadnis Diegrish Yorho, Agus Nilan Dinan Digrishina, William O'Donoghue, Genovan, and Obernagapel and Hongaler Doy. Silla Rodian and the Diffrier, Kahara Her Lacas Willishon, Ravina Canila, Kruagalore.
Minnesota, niet schillen de kene, a jibroch me oel, die Irish in Minnesota. Once exul tastal.
Smahan rod gobilan and far comma has a talk, Kegobilan drunk Lislowen.
Is Corlaisha Current shot, Agus a bay David Dempsey Tan a bay. David Dempsey Tan, Agus Corlaisha Current showed. Agus Ray the Chachta Kevin Ryan. Tahia Kevin, Risha, Loeb, Hannah, Ferton, and Dranady on Hobbies the Hen, you're going to wish you that.
It was the Dine Sherlock, stakes to Hoon, you dig an honor, having just Jack been shot, team killer and goal.
It's top, Kevin Ryan, Chafter Shach, it's that Deragenta, David Dempsey and Chop. Marshin. Yes, with David Dempsey, Young Reach, so Shin Bert's going to toss it back up to Gano, to Imogen Bork, and Pearson and Chop. She'd go, Julian Contessa. I was like a Troshanish, top down of Zeno Maidan, or Damshin Balivik on her score. 3 Julian Naka Blues at Arda, a Hohinele, Kulik 3, Mar Ragra, Egg, and Pearson. Park Mahanish, Boxlassa. Chakan Gar, Chassalor, Fodget Shane. Rashid Porrick reached Tacha or Porrick Tashagir Trail Ridge and our John Porriman is Byron Lester Slitter or Chota Tour Simpler Achni Iro Leshiard Mark Wilshot Sluck a good thrower and the Mercedes de Beersoch Connor Power Chenagir Connor Shelev all Nichi Fotcha Connor Reach was Nish Nan Rudi Begashot Adol and I wanted the Gunner of the Vower the Beersoch Acquisition Tilta Aka
Shuna Night for David Dempsey and Gorthood Nis Louis Simply Galore Aka Kursha Derella Clifford Dempsey again on Cannon.
Now, the writer Glyph Trust and William O'Donoghue Shilem, August Wilchak on Cortabui response. Got our Lord Park in the beer soft and Chakra like any check game to listen writer.
FN agus Mahani is FN agus Conor Power of Eagles na Hirker Gael we had in Tevline. Ni Arnisha Oxunk so grim a horta agus in Shin. And David O'Sullivan is Jack and Corley Corsi.
Shirt. Come out on 3 within it. Shell Patrick Peter Casey, Peter Gira Eluchin, pass Ollie Butch Tiger Downs, Achie Shin Potterash, Philip Manny. Philip Manny is Gira Eluchin, Tasha Fui Brew. Agus a Chincha Trasta na Porca, Trasta a draw Uncle, Shane O'Sullivan. Pass Jassy, Shil Shahig Shane. Peter Hogan, Gira Chelev, all Peter Cothart, Chan pass Lava Mach, David O'Sullivan, a Bullish Jockchin, Canor, can never hold up. Agus an ish tá Shachkin Kurmoi, Balavic Gunner.
Agus Barna, better on, scored during the Forshid Fashion, Kegger, Kershid Toast, Inspired, Darnala.
No made Zeug, but I'm just goal. I should put her boring David O'Sullivan. Nish, toss Boston shot. August thought chance. Peter Hogan on Bola. August Peter Hogan had a thrust on. He shot out up. He shot Tastalwa.
Shin Ked Counter Forshed, Les Bass, Marshin Timpeler. We Forshed Bass, Marshin Goodisha. August Fish up then in the end of Gakulin Fight Tech, Peter Hogan and Shusta Darnala. Cooley Natra, Arnoy, Mahane, Mark Ritton, Jit Corum, by Ambresh against the shot, Kevin Downs, Niva Kevin Downs, the Gira, and Ambresh and a put the Trust and Johanish. Is that Rook Elle Stehan, Nichit Royalty, the cousin of Monsacha, Tanny Gislin, no, Tanny Gislin, Tashidan, Jack, it's Hardigan Umshot and Blaine, Captain Fan Gokart, the Red Orange, Slitter, Kabish Jack, Nis Louis.
Shannon Sullivan, Robertson, on Obergenta, Connor Boylan, on Bola. When she shed her a thrust on, scoring to Connor Boylan.
Seven over Hanning Shass and Roka, because in Kabish Jack, Hanning Davar. I was under Hanning Shamak, we give Bishop Rihamaki draw and Tablina, Anna Congress and Tablina, Ilan Anna Gear, up near Purchase Jack Namaker, hard score.
Fooling at Rish Marsha, Agus a Puxi Rella, is Darlene Brunta, one of the gunner, Agus Torrik Mahoney. Now, who keens a gate, la? Cooling the wall. Fair van gate, Jaganova Hasula, Ochton Nich van gate, or Torrik Mahoney. Is different, Spinica Kunik Meg Gimmert, nor V. Roth the Kate van gate again.
Fabi, a law of agreement, Shina Gallon Dempsey here. I guess, near the end out again, Red Tor Free. Big Parik Agiri and Kated on score all it. A yow soon up.
Usually don't go for Shinsbrook. No, Tashi fought it and three oh, Bugner Hitchin. As we call for the nail, does he block also? August Tashi fought it, August Emery, Peter Hogan again, Tarnishin, Kennedy, a coach of what to Hain, as Tashi fought it, and Kennedy is a top to Mach and Chuffy Brew. Lord came in a chin cocky, Goulbar, Cat Bayacha. Well, this may probably be going name in Tarva Wanchashin, you don't know about Marta Connor Power Slucker. August thought the 100 in Pierce on him, Roddy Shearer Cochan, and Domash Lana, August or Derrip, Scoop of Machin, Jerome Boylan, Machator Lorna Porca, I thought Shelley Foss, Balavic Gunner, the Shane O'Sullivan, David O'Sullivan, Kirion. August on Hookal Dental, Tachi Chatrasty, Harley Barnes, Harley Chatsala Jane, and Taslova Trasta. For the Billy O'Keefe, Billy Robertson, Launish Evisha, Bedder is category of Foxy New War. She fought Niall Buckley, Reja, Lanamach. The Mijan Tokel at the sponsor in your shot. The Shach, Richard Shees and Chennox and Chella Fotterash, like Philip Mahoney, and Paslova Mach. Don Umi up the Gay Road, Wayne Hutchison and Chapton is chipping away in the other Gay Erupt. Concha Erupt. Tasha Fuibru, Tasha Slocum will end in a cowerless, Concha Pasture, Billy Shane O'Sullivan and Emerging Shane, will Shane turning his sheer and pass Lova Shach, Akashach, and Lack, Ronan Lynch, sheer and Ishak is a Conscience, Scopamach, and Carl King, Unziella, Tom Immerisha, Tom Breen, and Tarnish, Barry Cox and Sean, Tashi Fortune, and Gavarta Turkish, Kevin Ryan, last Scopamach and Chin, David Breen, and Gira Shelley, all reached. Turn the Wasp, Tasha Roberts, and the Fortune Philip Mahoney, Nish Talk, Cliff, and Candice Demonagan, Mahoney Stock, either Hogan, or Buckley Reach, Buckley, a spot to Jessica Harding and Buckley, and Rod Maganin, 3-4, Twinny, Umgah, Chin,
no, either of Air and Son. Tasha Gimmer Kahanwa her fad, Buckley Gimmer Kahanwa her father fad. I guess Barry Coxon and Jenna Kahanwa her and Table, the Antad Jarrett in the Piercing and Town, and Son. I guess we Desh Egg Ballyvic winner, Cunna Cool, score I like fair played on the Cussentori, Hannig Irish Jack, got Kirk. I guess Hawk said Hamelin or Hoesh in a Glanamach, I guess some cool bar in a mask. I guess Derry English, Hawk Isle, a Macho and Cool, I guess Cowrick Singapore.
Now. Neil Torrik a fine Mugamal the Buddy Sira, Trash Tamil Cammage Valort from Henry Tog at the Vine Mortach. You know, should then Shachtu Puxiriga, if they're cooling one scoring ticket. Shades up front gate.
Horror. Gacholín idir na fórna mas rud gan éiríon leis an ceantin a scóráil Thóráid sé go mór le bailile bh gunnar chun an críomh go láidir.
Agus níl se gaibredó
Hagan léhan go mar sin do gach duine a hágan fochan na séire ní cartéine be chagan úsar níl sé éasce.
Níl is se chunig muid Cowló, Seamus Cannon, Joe Canning, Himrory Mahashop, Hugh TJ Reid, Amata.
Tá mehanní gach teoch chumá leis an tróra chu seúd nó a bhíon réad ar a gobar.
Héin as seacht.
Faib technolíochta ag an rétóransa.
Tugann sin just dún pas cin Himrory tá treasah mágad.
Bhfuil de hála Imróí go háirthe tá cosantóirí na Píorsaigh a gimmar go hanmha cosúla Alan Dempsey agus Niall Buckley an san.
Muidir rá seach an nervous brisiríist tam tuach teachtain is sé ag dúla baint go seo. Wayne Hutchinson gíir se bháil sin níí fáte Wayne tá sí fáte Shane O'Sullivan atá Shane O'Sullivan de chuid a Ryan Seanis gotí Billy O'Keefe, Billy i gíir éile John tá fechar Robert is tá le na bírsach taíine agus an Robalí a déanta go an sele fáteráis a Carl King an pass áling isteach a Carl isteach gotí Adrian Breen, which I think Adrian Breen or Garrow Colleen go háling ag Adrian Breen nimmer sig na Pearsa.
Sin Carrow Colleen de Adrian Breen agus Marianne sé a gan ná ar oscailíon rudí sóstop ní mór an tosathe I go mórta sí clubba tá níos fearna é.
Agus tá trí chólín idir na fórne an Forest Park mú a bhí ag na Pearsa an seo. An orinnar búlú riamh a goig mún. Bhfuil siad chun críomh a cehar chur leis, bhfuil díma anán a ríist eile go bhhaile bh gunnar déach bheith mar tá suéibh a campa in na Pearsa is Ronan Lynch an can mór méte fada ag Ronan Lynch agus sí chutha ar deire tá sí chumó sin an seachtú cena tá chumó na Pearsa tá 8 chumó bhhaile bh gunnar ach tá an Forest Bar sin go trí chólín ag chutha limnaí.
Na ché sin an céad ceanna tá chumó ag na Pearsa an seo sa darna le captain.
Ceart agad.
Sin is scéal féin beidir?
Teachtain is agus sellh Harvah táta sin cantar brisi síos Shane O'Sullivan a teachtain cían seo. Rón ar Dempsey a sin agus can mór míte fada tá sí minútar David Breen bhfuil sí fáte i gcéine Jacob. Wayne Hutchinson is agus sellh fáte ag Wayne adul siúgadí Stephen O'Keefe, Stephen Amige. An íru sin ag Lanamach ar hína love Jesse David O'Sullivan ag íru sellh ála sin níti fáte David tá sí brisi síos a sin ag Tommy Grimes feartá gimmart máach Tommy fágan tuislitar ní an drumcla Jenna fála cíine fearar sin an Peter Casey inis cosíocht inta go Peter Casey tá se fósa go rí an Rory Casey Johnich fágan tuisin héin a slitar in í an sin a gáil siúr a sin agus le bhile thug Peter Sonkin sin go Ian Kenny ar deire tá sí i míach. So sin tochtú cenis a gurmúid na Pearsa céile has amachid tá go dtí seo.
Seagad ar an daoine á bailile bhí gunnar freisin gan dát David O'Sullivan gan dát agus Peter Hogan go háir a hip sa céad lehan son Philip Mahoney anmha Shane Walsh agus Shane O'Sullivan tá tar éis immar go hanmha freisin.
Barry O'Sullivan a teachtar strachanis agus Barry neacht leis an ní a bheartam rá ní leis an Shane O'Sullivan céine Shane Walsh a fág an the parket Barry Farmore Lauder 100 bín se gimmart na tosathe. Better go to David O'Sullivan a chumachtaí lár na parkin is sin a fergal Hartlín is agus a Cadillas Fedal fergal íana tá Shane O'Med go léna mar sin idir iad agus well tíma ríist eile ná lúchar. Tá má búin is got a Harris ar fádan is Peter Hogan gíir se bháil well níl sí fáte Peter Hogan tá sí fáte an Thompson ag Jerome Boylan a gáil siar. Agus Ibrahim Nétach am sin Tommy Grimes a gur isteach is tá forward na himmer is dro hole while bit corner Eddie Hayden and Chan fáte Eddie Captain in there Eddie Fowler Thompson nach then was the merchants top while the corner chapter east Philip Mahoney is Philip Hook to her board Jenny David Breen Chin Ruddy a grown Cliffy Canish Coigan
Níor le bhéon dát go raibh cuma beag an in Meragach beidir ar na Pearsa sa céad le gan clifar crua áil agus bhí bailile bhí gunnar bhí cuma bhd níos fearr orthú. Tá siad réig chun gach rud a dhéanamh ag dul isteach a bhd níos láidre a bhd níos díogra sí sa darna lehan seo má éiríonn lá cólín amháin eile áil beidir má héana bearnamach chuig a ceir cholín ní dóilm gur féidir a bailile bhí gunnar an rud a dhéanamh lá inniuh ach níl sé hart fós.
Níl tá sway Adol
Adrian Breen to Reshi mar hanmha freisin don a Pearsa gniuh ceir cholín.
Sean Chantry should roll on Lynch. Tá sí soch fada, tá sí soch hord, agus tá sí soch green.
Nor ein sé deis na mar sin de gan abín sé crín go hard hegan om seo a cliffe ní he sin in céadúr dó écht mar sin a bhaintteach.
Nis bhfuil teachtain ar an Olivic Gunnar for teistar inis ní spún á riamh. Tá scór a testal watha tá an cansin búilte ord ag Billy O'Keefe tá sí búilte ar a trastan tátoch mar go daring an teirese go trí cholín ríiste.
Ní lag scór bháin atar ar is muoín tú faoi sin an trí cholín the Billy O'Keefe plédo Anna has baintas uig. Anna has baintas go jo a hill scór na testal lúhan sin.
Chéad scór watha an ní nómad. Nis Tucamach teacht Shelf Harva tátoch inis as an Shelvig na Pierce ríist. Agus ag Adrian Breen trasta go dtí Downs á bóla ord agus Downs á bóla ar an trasnáin rístelle ceir cholín atra.
An dara cholín an son ó Downs gach ceann tábhachtach.
Cétach an Shelváilte Wayne Hutchins go tíir tá sí fote Wayne. An pass lábha trasta go dtí Harley Barnes, Harley dó tíir go dtí Stephen O'Keefe. Tá sí dul an tro eile, Stephen amach go dtí Harley a ríist. Harley inis agus ochlinn an agóris gwynn se can fada nos Billy O'Keefe a gur shed of origin Alan Dempsey his fwy tá sí fote ag Billy. A Billy turning his sheer chin hola agus can you fada chin. Special sin ag ríist pad.
Sean Ilmi Kate fan get Kinta Frine Guinnesshin got Kinnet got piece of action Harbe. Kinúnach again Shod and Clifford.
Fecherpad.
Shabby Shatak, Hanik Shakalai, Derby, Labo, and Tipler, Ruksha, Grimer, Lab, and son.
Yeah, Rook Tommy Grimes are Lab,
and Tommy Grimes are those, and Chin Rook will Donahoe, Grimer, and Lab Freshen.
Zian,
Galore, and
Dian. Ronan Lynch. Well, Tago, Foxlasse, Corahara Trust, and they get. Shantiganish. Sér an bhfuil ní dúm sin spruch ná bhil ní sin spruch ceachtar bailach tá sí chur móach fós agus an tam bhil bhí chunar is sí ceir choirín chun deire. Ar sé bhála sin tá sí fote ag Barry O'Sullivan fear tá taketeach Barry a bhlisteach í seile sin. Peter Hogan a ggéir se bháil. She fought Peter Dara Ear to give Elo Chentan, Roher Chen, egg Peter Hogan, Tasha Stoppage, Nile Buckley, Sherrish, Buckley, Jenna Harbour, will fell into Buckley Neil, Ton Schlitter Fosaka, Tasha the Sean Chanting, Hogan! Peter Hogan! Calling Duggar Fad!
Cold and Scohan Shin of Peter Hogan. We deshek na Cosantori at Lanamaka, fair play the Hossa Habali Bicona Kershid and Brewer Hook, and sort of Vision Schlitter Maquigan, Hogan V. Isagerev. Cool Tastal, a Visha Kroger Galore Contour Way, and Ish Gana Colin in the Borna.
Colin. Nish! And Jurgen and Stana Axton, the Hora for Dariga, and Pocamaka Tachtanish, Holly Rodinish, Oregon Jaw, Chalifotted Ron Lynch, the Holding in Lynchador Downs, and Tachio Downs, Wayne Hutchinson in the top trust, Wayne the Gira, Kabalawan, the Gira Brachele, Pulitzer Canchis, and Neil Fana the Chin, Carl King, Shearer Jaw, and Chelabarish, and Alan Dempsey, I can't more father Alan Dempsey's Jack, and also Breen, the Breen the Gira Shelaval, so she brushes his brain, or keep it at the mark, one chance to call out the hook at it, Scorer Dara, Shay Connor Boyle in the dance, Pat Shin.
Shagad out, but the rest of Olivic Connor Cole, Kinona Galler and Tab Elliden, Dun Fark, Renishid Gamakaneb, Lakaller in Gadol Shies. Sarina Breen Gamakaneb, Lakal Shies, because Hoy Adrian Breen is Shak and Shin Hoy Breen is Shakarish. Agus bet Gillian Kinta on Adrian Breen, no Connor Boyle in the Creek Nige, Akis Coma.
That's it, Dower Kaden and a Pierce set on Leroy de Shell, Puck Service and Chad Olivic Connor Ish. Captain Goyle. Ye had Nerson on Makut of Curti, but I'm going to join Captain Exert Hemmerhead. 3 nomad, Clutchum, 3 nomad, Keracholin, 3 nomad, because they're Corta. Shaw has points to Ronan Lynch. There's that Corta Bui, points to Marshen. Shahagan patch on Sean Hushgra on Corta Bui. Sean Cool reached. Yeah, Neil Todd.
And the Hannigan Colby and Vertical Carrington and Slitter again Tom again Omoan. Needing Kate van Gate Kinte, Keachop, Adrian Breen, no Connor Boylan, a 4 and Jackbal Kinona Kerach. Erenos.
Gordon Brown, right at Chatterstock and the Pierce, Chatterstock. agus tá Kevin Down Conor Boylan an fear beidir dam sin coaching sin tá fágáil na parke Gordon Brown taketeach an áit agus Billy O'Keefe atá ná spéisiúil sé Billy O'Keefe atá bowling an foxíir seo agus tá Billy O'Keefe tá sí chur ar a trasán tá sé ras go coolar íst
Búlta go maithe freisin Leidir agus ísir go leir ach Cholín fíorthbhachtach agus mar dúir tú gá nómad nó mar sin gá nómad go le fanta
sin go trí nómad gan púte go cean nómad
Cean
nómad gan púte
go leir am a fácha ag bhaile big one chun búla gan íon a faoi más féidir lo
Machpúlte is agus an Chile Fáte Peter Casey gur éú John tá Chile Fósa Casey bhfuil Colin Casey tá Colin Casey Jane go háling again agus tá Kerrigan Rístán
trí cholín in isfeite ag Casey gá ceann scoráil teag Downs Kerrigan ag Adrian Breen tosathe na Piercig níos dain séirí
tá agus Casey Tarrant Thompson nachta sí fáte sé Gordon Brown a feartá taketeach Gordon Brown Trastan is because you're Shalva Correct Brown here attack to reach which he fought at Gordon Brown took a Contalone Camille August more will call in by Fox there so she foughting Brain or a Trastan Could call in again Brain He Fox here a few more no she or a Trastan
I don't know that was Brain Aaron Dalif David Brain Aaron Dalif and son Ribden score sin a bit fighter Chorabé Brain or Dalif ní fisk care the hard ach níl cumar ráthir
Seán a coolar ís Pat
Sláinnig
Céireann a tangáil
Adrian Breen sin David Breen Giri Bhóla agus an sin Craig an son
Adrian
Adrian a fóra
Cuilm Clifficanis Pellin na Héireann Charlie Redmond agus Jason Sherlock agus an Dacará
Bhí Ross at
an tangáil tá sin mar chéile agus cumil na Pearsa bhil siad cúig cholín chun tolsa agus tá gánóméid go le gan am cúteamh cortaithe David O'Sullivan bantamach Conor Sheehan istehan áit ag bailh Conor faríir de lads Fort Lauriga díma ná an dómh so the níú Jeshock up a níú Clifficanis agus níl Canoán bóitse agus bhí chance now the Harla for se sunken sin for se sunk nuair nach ra an slitterá ná bhfuil se sin feice ag an níl sam an wacha an réitor ce a Harla an sin se David Breen atá híos well má chonig an muir ná má chonig an réitor ná an bhairlíne sin níl tácarta deargan ar a tuairtpad agus tá Sílim Gwyl Barry Coughlin Zebra an seo agus an Canchin Trastan agus an Chile Fáte Philip Mahoney bhil lena siad ortha tá siad ar cehar déobh tá si cúlín chun deire agus níl fácail 3 second agus sílim go chót deargar a tuirte spáno go Barry Coughlin an sin agus well, hí corta buí spáinte go sa géad le agus an isis. An dar a corta buí dearinse bhí an hína go corta deargar tuirte bhí annacha níon se dábhar chéile tá sin teachta ríis tá Niall Buckley teach trastar ríis Niall Buckley an pass siar go dtí Pád Kennedy inis agus an pass amach go dtí Alan Dempsey Pass Alan Dempsey an fód Austin Allen Gooley chun se Canchin fada trastar dro David Breen a géiríán Níl si fáte Breen an tamta bhain tá si fáte Breen inis Breen a gáil ríd a róir is which it con iarthaí an a cool elevator Breen a gáil ríd í fan is burst a ríis Breen cool gan scá fáte ag David Breen agus inis tá se ina bhua Harla compordach ag curtha limni
Sead dopal cara sin mar scór uig an muithir an glíhan ar a fórsin slitar an gédol sios agus figa lór ibre le déanamige agus cada sin mar lúch leíocht agus mar chrinne ag ar a cada mar chríoch.
Tá 8 cóling ardaspáir ceire achtas na mún ceire chréibh na mún buite na Pearsa agus tócha sé foran gon chéad go iad bhla.
Anna Eshkatol, Anna Eshkatol.
Agus tá nadó gearnach séit an teo agus siad ferlimnaí atá Killera agus bhuan slachtarach antas bántas bhuan sa dara le. Ní rá acab sa géad le ach sé chólín tam siad 3 chól agus 9 gólín atá ins an dara le bei an gaur mar de siad an gaur seo á rósta gahar limnaí an 8 tá críomh na món buit acab don gahra úr ar a gahra úrat sé an éil riméadach bhí siad mar rá láidir na nóidir Prahalá tintaginnig fergan hartlilis ach ní dóra go é cheist faoi bhuiad ar in na bar bei beidir alfaide ar bhla bhí gunnar faoi seansna chailtí sa géad le ach ní é cheist faoi ach a léoch na himmartha well cha horsta Adrian Breen cól agus cóig cholín scóirte ag a siúd sinna léoch na himmartha AIB GG Carr an jo agus bhí náil buclaigh argamádó ach bhí léochra agus rinspa léochra ag na Pearsa an seo. Kevin Downs a chatamach an different intige sinnem bochel for a cool down of David Breen, Gordon Brown, Honey Shash Dachper, the Shash Coits, August well, it's foreign, Marjoram on Lodgeriad, Action Gentok with Borka Croca, Hannah Hain, Worshoot Creve na Heron, Hobbily to Shade Dog by Joshua Cup, but she gives a glyph of Lachanish, she'll away the night, Lach Nail, Lost Derry, glyph of Lachanish, the Heron, Nachat, need she this Mino or glyph of Lachanish, the Heron, Nish Toshi this Mino or glyph of Canish the Moon, August on Boo, August on Boo, Abbey, Tilt Aka, Peter Gold and Forest Park, Beganin, Zian or Irith the Wally Gunner, Achan score, Zernach and Shaw, a glyph of Canish, Stop the Moon, the Pierce at Limnach, 3 a Kujag, Wally Gunner, as Port Oregon, oh, day. Sean Marvey, good in the hero of the and top. Cooling Adrian Breen lifting him and rest. Just the shade second and Shade scoring to again. And Shin Cool a Connor Power the wall of the Connor. Agus dog session in Kilkee and a Frichna the Pierce to the Lord of the Gate. Agus Cooling Ella Breen, Dear Gribla Hammer. Chinsa Darla and Cool scored to egg David Breen. Chin Honeycomb Cool Ella, I was betting with Adrian Afore, Adrian Shilling with Adrian Arena and Tangwa Leicester Slitter, British Ella Cool is Cool in her fad, August a Chin David Breen, a Bar Couch for a Horty Dove, August na Pearsa, Borkoch, a reached Ella. Marshin, Shane O'Neill, Sausta, Job Gentige, August is Munter Limney, Attack Kedura, August well, Haha Raw, Murtnahana, Groshat Hiltaka. On to sponsors or fad was a Darla, obviously, brass sauce and Chichina, David Dempsey, Rinsha, Hoyts come up. Trouble Bunny, who need your Shaska Hocht. Queen of Jimmership, Cliff Canish, Conda, Limnoch, Hobbits and the Bulukuchid, a Hohinele, Enor, Wushid, Limnoch, Wushid, Kugamoon, Hama. Marshin. Gomuchis, Katintivlina, of Sisi Boritrasa.
Gurmahid the Wakdarata, Adrian Breen, Lechna Himmer, and Mahanta, a for cool, agus Huig cooling gun the Piercinia, Adrian Cohards you've just won your 4th Munster title in 7 years. How does that feel?
Absolutely phenomenal. I think we've been doing it kind of every second year. And listen, to pick up 4 county titles in 7 years, never mind 4 Munsters, it's a huge privilege. I'm just very grateful to our managers, our supporters who pour everything into us, and our families who support us along the way as well.
How confident were you at half-time? You were only 1 point down, but you seemed to finish the half the stronger team.
Yeah, I felt like we kind of weathered a storm in the opening, maybe 20 minutes, quite a low-scoring half in general. It felt like they threw everything at us, and it was kind of a rope-it-up scenario, but we went in, regathered ourselves at half-time, and we felt like if we could keep up the intensity in the second half, it might wear them down. Now that proved to be the case, but we came in here with huge respect for them. 4 times champs in a row in Waterford, so they garnished huge respect from us.
You scored 3-9 in the second half. You got the scoring going in the second half with your own goal. Did you get a touch on the second one as well, or are you giving it to David?
Oh, I'll give that to David. He's been making the effort to get back from England, so that's the least we can do for him.
A word on Ballygunner. They came here battle hardened today. How tough was it out there? Because you came through the County League pretty much unscathed. Would you say this was your toughest task to date?
This year, absolutely. I suppose looking at the score lines in the final and the Munster semi, people might have said, listen, they've had it easy. Now they were tough games in themselves, but reflected very much in our favour on the scoreline. Ballygunner, we knew they were going to bring huge physicality, backed up with skill as well. I think they've got all-stars in that team there today and have for the past few years, so we really respected them hugely coming into today.
You beat them in the Munster final in 2015. You went on to become All-Ireland champions. Will you take that as a good omen today?
Hopefully, anyway. Listen, we're 2 games away, but listen, it's a match at a time. So we've booked ourselves a semi-final spot probably mid-February next year. So we'll work hard over the winter and give ourselves the best opportunity to win that match first.
Well, cohort Coslat Adrian, Bantanya Vesson Gellera, and John O'Sullivan as AIB in Shonish, Le Gradam Lichna Himera of Runna Earth. Well, nods in the gates arm with my Cluhe Yachanish on the line, Le Fecal Earville in Chattarish and Crela in Chat Estad Semple Park Fan Earl, Champini La Hayden Coola at Torts I and Lee Warting, August Fanagi Lane, Nis Thurney, TG Cahead, Margamine with the Tiat White Boston, and Neil O'Donnell, Hall of Maston Lesherwood, August in AIG, Fenway Classic Airshoe, Blocklia Gunyagala, Kuna Hor Gunya Tiberdorn, August and Clay Canish, Le Fecal, Nis Thurney, Eg Yahu Teresh, Akuig. Well, tá Cyril agus Pat in Mahanta inis, Pat focal ed a glehishin, agus cechol ládir is vín na Piercy sa dar le.
A vín go hain to resto valley be gunner tos ma corlish and darna le. Agus kaim shirag go carco me valley be gunner ni freda fantastic eg lahama. Ni roder. Hosik shigama, ni roder abte togalerson, agus hanig na Piercy be shak nis live to the rare kelje, agus ni reva turn one on to den no met derna.
So the Vietnam with so Saoirse Dyer schlachtnet sig glehe yachanish on dolak my foot in the bin on the dula.
Well, sure, basically, Soul make sure the bark and croaky and is the loyal Patrick. Abs on tespont as a hook she's in Darla. Can you come on lawn cook the person Darla to chance mark and she down.
Well, come with that all Marshin, why Horlis, ach nods in the guitar with Fanachlin or TG Carla, Clay Yachanish, Oman on the moon, or Oman on the line, Le Fecal, Zira Hesha, Fanagilane.
Not at the moment, it's an hour before throwing now, so we're doing our warm-ups and there's a few little knocks we're carrying, but look at, we hope to be at full strength today.
Yeah, Rory O'Connor is out for us. He's unfortunately has got a scan on his knee and he's going to be out for until sometime in the new year. He's done a nice bit of damage there. And Patrick O'Connor, our fullback, is out as well.